I'm deal with him in the
okay.
issue already. When I time I start playing, me I make him start galang, I just run past him. He come run and he start find fault. Cause I saw me call him, I saw come me call him faulty guy, you know. Cause then the idea, him come run and he start talk about, eh?
What kind of guy you call him?
Faulty guy.
They have all the good stuff.
Oh, that.
Yeah, man, what go on? Yeah, man.
BossyD, we can't see you, man.
Yeah, man, you're Z boss, you know?
Yeah, we want to see you doing a BossyD. Yeah, man, we not see you.
Eh.
Your fans them want to see you. Cause they want to see what you say.
Oh. Say so now, see me now.
Alright. A little better, but see if you can go on there like that.
Alright. Where you say? Where you look now?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that preps they look a little better.
Yeah, man. Yo. Say so now, what go on in a camp now?
Hey, are you the first man me use that word in a BossyD? Preps.
Yeah, yeah.
Yo, let me tell you something.
What?
Your vocabulary having some word that may I tell you say you're the boss.
Yeah, man.
Trust me, your vocabulary don't stop us up.
Guess what now?
Hey.
Listen, before me say anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, me I go there and you say all of my fans them in a Jamaica overseas big them up.
Straight.
You understand?
Straight.
Yeah. All of my fans them.
Straight.
Big up on any one of them. Z Bossy that BossyD. Don't know a thing set already because you don't know. You know, I like me thing, you know. You understand me? I say, big up 876 C and we. Kenty, Robert, big up on yourself. Because you say sport. You understand me? I say, yeah. Understand? Yeah, man.
Yeah,
don't know
man.
a thing set already. You understand? Yeah.
But BossyD,
let's go up on it.
You know say you have fans all over the world, don't it?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Come I tell you, now, before we even go into the interview the right way, you know. You know, say Bridget of mine tell me say, oh, we go the Altec World Cup last year.
Yeah.
And the man them like other racers from other island. I asked, where BossyD they only not care BossyD.
Jano.
You understand? So BossyD right away me I tell you say your fan base huge.
Yeah, man. Cause you don't know say man you know how me set me thing, you know, man, and you know
I just say prep.
Yeah. Yeah, man. You don't know a thing set already in a car. You know, you don't know you have to know if you deal with people to make people respect you, you know.
True.
You understand what I say? Because you see in the idea when me there jam west, you know, man, and that one thing with me, you know, man, you know, some man where would have gone like them better and people and thing. No. When I work them with anybody come ask me anything, talk to them, deal with them. Man to man. If they want to see all the Z, me show them it. Anything when me do to the machine, me show them it. Me not come like a someone who hide things from a man. Anything when me do to the machine, me show a man and say, yo, that and that me do. So if you want to do it, maybe go challenge you out in a driving. You understand me? I say, but me not hide speed from a man. So anything when me do, me highlight it to our next man and make a man who say, yo, that me do or that me do. You understand? You can't keep everything to yourself, you know, because you don't know some man. Just like come learn off other man. You understand me? I say, want a man learn off of me same way with me prep same way. So me I say, you can't go on like in a game like you want everything for yourself.
Then I say for go man can watch this now. You know say you can show a man. You can build an exact same car for a man.
Yeah.
and use him still can't beat up on the track.
Yeah, oh God. So you know what, me I want to look a nigga talk the same thing already, cause in claim say the end in the idea, a man run the same machine like a me.
Yeah.
And do the same preps up like a me. But how film car can't run as fast? And I say my youth, right now if me get film car, me can use film car and run the same time like when me do with my car, cause he go in the end in the idea good on as the driver. Cause every man drive different.
They know
you understand me I say?
Yeah. So it's not even like say, it's not even like say you try hold back a man car.
No.
You see it? You give me full preps.
Yes, man, because in this game, I'm a big man. It's when you come on to his sport, it's as I say, me no drink, me no gamble. You understand? Me no go party. One enjoyment me have is this is my sport, racing.
Yeah.
That's why in the idea, and no matter what happens, me still have to big up liquors them. Me have to big up liquors anyway, no matter what happens. Because of them, the man there, make me know what is speed. Make me like, make me come up in the racing world, make me know, make me get to love this game. Yeah. You understand me? I say? So me have to big up all of them, man. I can't forget where me I come from in a life. Because of them, the man, they give me first 20 valve and say, yo, then time they shine up around things and say, yo, you understand me? I say, do what you have to do. And from this, me I come right down to Blacktop. Now me gone to Z. Because when me even just put in Z, I pay bash them bash me and say, back with me I go in a life, And I say, all right. And me prove it, show them, say, yo, watch them. Because nobody never did know about. Yeah, well, Z did about, but nobody never recognized it.
Yeah, nobody need to go all out with it like that.
No. You understand? Because me remember, when me put in, I'm good on a check, and run the car fully interior, You understand? I run 14.5. You understand? Before me even ship it down or whatever, Me and one brother, the attitude, because him I say, boy, me still going back with you, because when me have me 20, me run a fast. Me say, then you still not get to me, I say, Me run a fully interior car with everything like on street tire, I run 14.5. Me couldn't do it with the 20 valve. You understand? Me I make you know, so me run 14.2, 14.1 with the 20 valve, but me have to gut it out. You understand me? I say, so when me got out his Z and run his Z, me run the first one me run. When me strip out, me run 13.8, 13.9. Tell me they get all one piece of 13.6. But from this and now, me just say, yeah. You understand? But you don't know anything. I'm even Monty. I don't know if you know Monty from Moby, the brother with the Beamer. With the
BMW, yeah, man.
Yeah. And me and the run when me run the 13.6. So me I say him the run 13.2 at the moment. You understand? I'm run 13.6. Yeah, him the run 13.2 then time there. I'm run 13.6. You understand?
So BossyD.
Yeah.
Me hear this talk on the car scene about back wheel staging. You never do none of them thing then?
No.
Scene.
No, me never make them the mistake there. The only thing with my problem, the only thing when me might do, when me can't sure, always red light. Like, when anxiety, like when I get, look how,
anxious. Anxiety.
That always reach me. But you want me kind of maintain, because you don't know, look here, when enough man understanding a racing,
Yeah.
So when you want man run the same time, and him run like, put yourself here run like 13.1, I'm run like 13.0, ending idea, you want to left him on the light, you do everything for left him in the hole,
Sure.
You understand? So ending idea, they look at the little thing, they just cup up,
I like when they're in the streets more time and you can pick a start, you try to pick your light on him.
That me I try to show you. So sometimes big man, well, hey, all right, if you notice all of my racing them, and when you go down in a final, there's something always get messed up, but all along when me not depend, me always go on good. But me try to control a part there, because in all I last race on my race, me not red light. You understand? Because even when I run, when we run it 13, them is like, I broke out, because when the boy left me on the light and me run him down and me have to just say, all right? I run him down, and when me do pass him and break, I run 12.8. I run 13, he must say, I run 13.2. So I say, 13.1.
So when you run a 12.8, you did run nitrous?
No, because you have no. What happened? No, it nitrous back at the low.
Oh,
You
pressure
understand?
low.
So in the matter of fact, back at the low, somebody gone all the way up on all motor. You understand me? I say,
Okay.
yeah. Me gone pan. I remember, you know, me run 13, 2, 13, 1, you know, all motor, you know, without nitrous, you know. You understand? So in the car, me carry body in a all different way. That's the reason why enough of the time I say, listen me bad, my Z bad every type of way. Bad pan nitrous and the bad pan all motors. Any one of them when no want give me, can
You
give it
can
to
give
one.
it to them.
Yeah, me can give it to one. Me can step
Anyway
in
they
on a
want
mount.
it. Anyway
You
they
understand?
want it.
Yeah. Me can show them say, yo, my Z happy. Cause when my Z, you know, ready, you know, man, I one thing with it, you know, man, always happy. Love war, you know. I tell you.
A war Z.
Yeah, war, love war. You ready for
Oh.
kicking her face? I saw it stay.
You
understand? And I like some of look come and say them afraid of war. That the one afraid, that the one that love war.
Why?
Yeah.
Hey, BossyD, tell me something now. When they did have the black top, what them used to call it them time there? Black top bastard or
No, you want no, be honest with you, me never did have no such a hype. Yes, me did have a look hype, but me never have no name for the black top. You understand?
Okay.
But the ending idea pan a big man thing, you see this Z make real and know me. Because remember, you know, nobody never have no 2 Z that go along with no antics in a Jamaica, you know, overseas, you know.
True that.
You understand? Remember, you know, overseas.
Yeah.
So and me take it up and try. All right, you see me and Brem too. Me and Brem always I make Brem know so me I use less nitrous and run past in time. I run up in time matter of fact. You understand? That me tell him, you know, that's why me they always at it.
But
you see me?
You know, say we soon touch Brem part there though. Because watch out. You know, say every single night, right, BossyD, we have an unofficial thing where we see who can get the most viewers.
Yeah.
All right, you know, you're there at 300, you know, and we just start, you know. And a 400, a 400 I record, you know. So everybody will say you go broke your record tonight, you know. So make us see what I go on, no?
No, you want no. You see now, all right, look now. You see, let me tell you something. It's when you come on to racing, me always there. Me see my car down and me get my car up just to go race. Me can't go a race and just turn up and look through fence and look for a man a race, you know. Me always have to be there.
Yeah.
You understand? So that's the reason why.
Me there track already and see you come there, they sat there and mash up and it's like boy.
All right. You see, share a final drive in a gearbox. And by next day, BossyD up.
Ready.
Yeah. Ready like a Freddy. You understand? When it come on to my sport, me not play. You understand? That's the reason why, you know, with female local fans them down here, you know. When me and them go check, you know, me say, big man, I want to get to the car ready, me 4. Because me some man always get my car ready, you know, me 4 chat date, you know, because if I next month I race, you know, me make sure so me start get my car up and running, you know. Me no wait for the last moment and for the last minute, you know, to get my car up, you know. My Z have to always on the standby already to go war.
Yeah.
You understand? And go making fans them see him. You understand
and
me? I say
all it takes is an oil change.
Oh God. You understand? Yeah. It's just an oil change. And that's it. You see me? Right now, if me go there right now and I was picky key and I said ready. You know, you see just like Sunday when I saw Rubes, me just go down the town and I was happy up his head. And he still not have no behavior because me have to know me I do because if you long me no drive me have to, you know, like you want to get unruly for me to make you know so yo watch it, I'm me the man to you, you know, so behave yourself. You understand?
Straight.
Yeah.
Hey, but you know BossyD, seriously speaking.
Yeah.
Me don't know where you learn for shifts though, but boy, yo, you're shifting up on another level, you know, man.
Yeah, look here now. Let me make you know something. As I say again, big up Liquors and big up in brother. You have one brother who live out Miami when he's Lodi. And that the man, they sit down in and care and watch him. You understand? Licorice, trust me. If you notice when Licorice left the line, you know, notice him, you know, hey, don't make Licorice left in a hole, you know, because you don't know he go already, you know. You have to run like way fast and if you catch him, you know. You notice how him shifting, you know, boss, man. Them man, they can't drop out of RPM.
No, man, like
so
an automatic,
idea, I see it. Eh?
I like an automatic.
Yes, then I see something. When, all right, look here. Is a chicks in a shiftment, you know. You see, in the idea, you have to watch your RPM. You understand? That's the reason why when you look past someone, when they are shift, you know. You understand? If you notice me, I lick them, there's something, them, I watch me RPM. If me carry rev go like 8-2, me shift it before I reach there, so. So me always work me RPM, me make me RPM keep down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you understand? Me not make it up and down and you know what? Make it just stable.
See.
You understand? Me not making it get too tired. Me making it just relax. I'm making it just, you know? Yeah.
See.
So in the idea, because listen a man and listen how he shift, you know. I know say yo, he still a drop off a meds cause you know can me listen enough for them and say yo. He still, but you know more time if I go say that look at things to one man. Alright, you know, so one night we done here. And two brother you do want chase. Turbo. Them claim say boy them care now one of them are saying care now going a third and one are saying care now going a second. And man I say boy that pressure plate problem and rare. I say alright then so me go drive it. And me drive and when me done with it, you know man, a totally different cake of fish, you know. I say boy I don't see nothing wrong with you no care, you know. The next man will sit down and say boy BossyD, boy me not saw your movie gear them man, cause we how me going, you know, we me drop them in, him can't see it. You understand? So when done with them man, he say boy but nothing wrong.
Boy, it come like say them never get a shipment correct at all, BossyD.
Yeah, cause you want know. Some man, me tell you the next thing again, some man are putting some tough pressure plate and then put weak to sink it.
Oh
yeah. And they say whole thing, but you see also all as me big. Eh?
Yeah. Yes.
Strong. Yeah. Me put them, yo, remember me tell you, care how pressure plate tough. Me foot a licky down there. And foot a work in a one. You understand me? I say, yeah.
BossyD, stick up in. I just want to say a big shout out to tonight's sponsors. Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, What Performance, Quickly Wrecking and Haulage, Boosting, Zidat Performance, Massive Performance, and Kaizen Wrecking. Yeah. All right, back to business now, BossyD.
Yeah,
now,
man.
Me hear a man earlier say them can hardly see your face, but me know you never take off your hat yet, you know, BossyD.
Well, it's
me not gonna tell you to take off your hat.
As I talk about that, you want know. You know, say he come down to you and nitty-gritty. Yeah. You know, the same argument is because some man I say, boy, they never see me without my glass and they never see me without my hat, but it's just a habit. I just love my hat and my glasses. You understand? Right. So more time they might feel like, say, boy, yo, me not no ear in my head, nigga, or whatever view. Yo.
hey, you see, you're a superstar, no, BossyD. And let me tell you something. Yeah. You see, in the entertainment world, them have what them call image.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? I can tell you this. You see, anyhow, like if somebody should for draw BossyD and for make everybody know that BossyD, them have to draw you with the glasses and a hat.
Yes.
Your image that.
Yeah, that's my image.
You know, see. So,
hey, Mr. Potter, me had already, you know. And when I come say, my head feel naked like me not have no clothes, you know, I have to go back go put it on, you know. I tell me, you know. You step out already and have on my glasses, you know, I say, no, so I have to rewind and go get it on, you know. Yeah, you know. Feel naked. So in the idea, I just go, you know. So,
yeah, just put on some glasses and a hat.
Yeah, man.
Trust me. Hey, you're the boss in a BossyD. Now, I see Jamwest posted something a while ago about an award for as the Jamwest most faithful and longest racer award. From Jamwest Open BossyD down there.
Yes, man. From Jamwest Open. Me there Jamwest. I mean I tell you the truth. Hey, boy, hey, you see from when Jamwest we have for them meet, then now me gonna Vernon field same way, back and forth. So anyway sport them, it did it. Hey, me have internet on me yard, you know, and guess what? You see me TV, you know, come off and nothing when him like I just pay sport thing like racing. You understand? Anything towards I couldn't tell that like it's when you come on to a show and him something hard watching there something. I have anything about racing,
Are you
anything
that?
towards sport, and me that. Me no
Same.
watch boxing on him something there, football on him something, me no watch him. Anything towards car thing. Sometimes I won't say, boy, God know me. Hey, I try to know sometimes I vex, so I have a visa to go watch all them boy that look on. Slow and look on him. 6 second car they live, you know, man.
True,
I try not even know, you know, cause.
True.
Sometimes when I see all them something, man, you know, me vex.
Yeah, man. Me know what you mean, man. Me know what you mean. But BossyD, you know, say, I mean, other than US, you know. Zin,
Yeah.
because me know you have a big fan base in a Cayman and you have a big fan base in Antigua.
Yeah.
You know, see it. So who knows, maybe one of them day, you know, you can probably even make a little Caribbean trip and, you know,
Yeah.
but heal up the fans them and make them know
Yeah,
how go on.
oh, God, man. Welcome, man.
You know,
Anytime.
see it. Yeah, man. So, you know, but, you know, me could go back to a little bit in the program, you know. So,
Yeah.
from BossyD start out over the years, started racing over the years, you see. Who would you say has been your biggest rival?
Well, be honest with you, you see right now, all right. Back in the days, I would have worked me and Sanchez. You understand me? I say, so, you
Yeah.
ain't the idea now. You ain't the idea now. Me not even, me and me depend on rival right now.
Or on a bridge, you
Rival now
know.
with, yeah, well, we not really talk up, but if it's for right now, me, all right. You see, back in the me, I try to make this man know, say, yo, big man, you see, time when you get up and you try to war with me make as a team and go to era, go pick pan some other man. Don't go like you want to try to prove pan
War
me, because
era,
you will
man.
yeah, you understand me? I say, when we go out there and back up a line, go pick pan some man and race against them and ray. But you can't come go like say, boy, you always want to go like you want to race me and want to come hype. You know, show off for me anyway. Yeah, and then something I try to show him.
But hold
So
on a
in the
little
idea,
BossyD. I see a man commenting so no, say the person name Hey Demar, Haye Demar. Virus now save you too much lippings. I could have would that BossyD.
so who? So,
Say virus now save you too much lippings. I could have would that now.
well, me don't know how that.
You don't know who?
No, me don't know who, cause
Okay.
for right now, you
Yeah.
know somebody right now when me and them kind of depend on like affliction right now is the one where they call proper way, cause me feel like he talk too much and I make you know say you would call myself cause you're a baby. So
Then
me
a
tell him say
proper
yo,
way, man. A proper
yeah,
way
well,
name. I him name Hey Demar, you know. Demar Hey.
eh,
I just back way and turn it. So
okay.
proper way
Well,
turn back
no,
way.
you see with proper way now, him as why with him, you know, you only somebody will make him recognize it's me, you know. Cause proper way, remember,
Hold on a little BossyD. Don't we not touch proper way yet. Hold on. Make go back to affliction now with Sanchez. Cause we
well,
are seeing proper way a little for last.
yeah.
Yeah.
As what me say with me Sanchez now, him
Yeah.
always want to pick for me like he want always feel like say boy, he want to be like the boss or something. So me I make you know so you don't need to go there so. You
No.
understand? When we go
Work
to
as a
John West,
team.
work as a team. You
What you
understand me? I
mean,
say we
man?
don't need to go like say boy we are trying to show up
Yeah.
one another and go like we live bad or whatever view. But
No.
you know like him no want that cause he end the idea he always want to pick at me. He say, yo, I him at the baddest thing, don't you? You understand? That's the reason why me
Oh.
and never can get on and cause that's the reason why him always a drop some word and I talk about this and I make you know say, yo, listen me. A two driver down here. You understand? One teach people how to shift
Mm-hmm.
and win trophy and make money. And one
Mm-hmm.
teach people how to shift and lick down people wall. You understand? Because in the idea, my thing is done a Germany. That's the reason why I'm not too. You see, it's anywhere me I go. Me just take me
Yeah.
look at time, go where me I go. If I race me I go. Me cruise myself, go at the jam race, go enjoy
Yeah.
myself. And when it's done, me cruise come back
Cruise
home.
come back.
Because the ending
No
idea, that's the
speeding.
reason why.
Yeah.
You understand? That's the reason why enough of them crash and kill off themselves and because they want to try to prove themselves.
Prove.
You know,
Yeah,
like you
We
race
have to
with one
prove a
man
track.
and he do something could dead. You know, depend on something, brother.
No.
Me
I
not
remember say
depend on something.
Remember, say full bone no easy for set and no BossyD. So,
That's what I talk about, man. Then me try to
yeah.
show you, so then look. Well, you see, we then look a new muggle boy, you know. Them. That's the reason why they come like a new car and as they lick them pop up, you know, man. So you notice that they don't really stay too long. You understand?
Okay, the new muggle boy them.
Yeah, new muggle boy them. That's the reason why they hype and go and say that they don't live long. Because they always want to prove himself. Meanwhile, the old boy, they just relax and just watch him and say, watch the idiot them. And when they come on to a big shot, they can't maintain it. That's the reason I always say to them, say, yo, listen me. When we reach in the ring down at Jam West, we also see who are the man who can keep up. And when for them reach in the ring, they can't keep up. They drop down. You understand?
So let me ask you this, BossyD. You ever burn out? You ever try launch in a reverse set?
No. That's the reason why a guy they want to try follow me. Because I may try to show you, say, me an island, because every little thing when me do, him, like him in his seat, he want to try to show me up.
So are you him see a reverse? Are you him see a launch back
there? That man and turn an idiot on himself. And then and he saw a lie. That's him all say. Him all make. Him say, all right, listen what him say, you know. Him say, I want man tell himself to burn out. And him tell him man say, nah, burn out. And him man the panic case say, yo, burn out. And him tell him man, then which man can make me make myself. If a man tell me, you know, say, yo, go do a little thing and me decide so me not do it. Him can't make me. But he go there and when they try to do it, it just not work. So I try to pretty up things in the, you know. Yo, you know, so be honest with you, I want enough, hey, I enough his video me ever see come out in video me see come out for one man in a space of 1 day.
Zin.
Cause in the idea he just turn himself in a one dopey bat. You understand? Yeah. So in the idea he do every little thing and flop for him own self.
Alright. BossyD, watch this now. Zin. So you're done with Sanchez now. Cause me know say you and Sanchez when have a little thing to settle.
Yeah, well, for me, everything over. For me, everything done with. So, yes, right now, big man thing.
Yeah.
As I see it, a 3 away. One you here Frisky down here, and Sanchez, and me. You understand? We are going to make him feather fly like when Carlick fall a road. And if we feather lift up off of him. And that me will make up.
So, are the two are going to discipline him?
3 away.
3 away.
Yeah, because me I want to look at me I want to look at Virginia want 2 ZZ in a 110 or wet him down a track already. You understand?
So that's not unfair, BossyD.
No, listen me. Listen me. He's a nigga in a way. Where that come? He come like a Jerry. He come like a Tom. Or Jerry, whatever. He hard for fucking he hard for dead. So we are gonna deal with him in a wickedest way.
So make sure, just because him hard for dead.
You champ him down, man. You champ him down. You champ him proper way. Proper way. A matter of fact, I make my student and go for him first. You understand? And then I just take it over and just finish him.
Okay. Then
you understand?
After first 2 beating BossyD, him not going on for race if I saw big case.
No man, me I go finish him kind of hard for that, you know.
Okay.
He come like a bullfrog. You have to lick bullfrog one more time for the end dead.
My word. Well, on the BossyD, we're not really fully ready to touch the proper way saga yet, you know. There was another rivalry between you and who it was again? And one you did at war after Sanchez.
Well, you know, to be honest with you, after me and Sanchez, I think I did me and Richie.
And Richie, man. Yeah, Richie, we have a little vibes too?
Yeah, man, me and they have one look rare, but when he saw he said I go like, you know, he back down, you know.
He relaxed.
Kind of free, like. Yeah, he relaxed. I say, yo, you know what, you're good. You know, I'm throw with you, you see me? Yeah.
All right.
So.
Well, I'm to mental, because when I tell him in a year, you see mental loss.
You see with him now, I'll give you a joke about him.
Yeah.
You see, first time, when him size up, can feel like saying could have killed his head in his system, you know. And when me and go out there, you know, man, when me reach on the bottom, I check, you know, there's no, it's like I come like me alone, the race at the day, you know.
Like a Byron.
So me come back when
Like I get a Byron.
13 me run at the time. I run 14 something.
My.
You understand? So in the idea when me reach on the bottom, I check. And I come back run to the next part, you know, him just a reach on there. You understand? So me come around now, mental now, Robert now, they ask me, say, boy, what about? You know, so me I said, then I'm just run a while ago, I lost him in the system. So one next day again, we don't a jam west again, and I him that. Me see run out, and when he see me run out, you know what the boss do? The boss back down and come off. He say, no, when I entangle with me, no, when I know dealings with me, back off, I chat, and call around somebody else.
So come here, people say you make mental gone 100 now, no, and retire 11, you know.
No, cause you want no. Mental now, they gone in 100 world and feel like say boy, in those horse, go so and rare, but in a work theme. You understand? Me no know.
Yeah.
In a work theme. So
okay. Well,
you know what one theme.
One to Brem star now, Brem, because me hear a little thing that go on one time between you and Brem, you know, how that go?
Alright, with me and Brem now. Brem say boy, I said a waste of time. I mean, Brem know, say, listen me never no nitrous for my machine, but the end of the day, me run 13, me run low 13, 13.2. You understand? When me decide to go, when me end up on the same railway back and forth, me tell Brem, say, yeah, what me gonna do? Me put on nitrous for my machine. You see, end of the day, I use less nitrous and run up in the time. You see me I eat them. So me put a 75 shot of nitrous. Me put on, and the first one me run 12.7. Me go back again and carry down to 12.5. And every time I go to Jam West and go run 12.4, 12.3. So in the idea, Brem best time is 12.3 and my best time is 12.3 with him. And you want now me use a heavier body car. Because remember, you know, Mr. Brem, you cut up the whole of your car. Me know me I use a heavier body car. When we done race, me just put back everything from my car and drive around cruising on the AC. You understand me? I say, so in the idea, you cut up your car and you shoot more nitrous more than me and me use less nitrous and run up in it. Then suppose me there run 100 shot of nitrous.
So how much shot of nitrous Brem did I run?
Probably I run like 120, like 150 shot of nitrous.
Massa.
I wait for nitrous in my shoot, you know. You understand? So right now, if we put on 100 shot of nitrous for my machine, for the Z. Because, you know, everybody say to blow up, you know. You understand? I'm
so hold on. BossyD. More make everybody know say your Z fully stock, you know.
Yeah. Me Z, me not do nothing to it. Me not put in no piston, no rods, no head bolt, nothing. Stock. Z me I run that then 75 shot of nitrous. And it take it like it a half and more.
So you gonna put more upon it, BossyD? Alright. How much them say the Z can manage? You don't know how much nitrous.
It can take you 100. Hey, look here. It can take you 100 with ease.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Hey, piston, you see, connected right them in them big, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man. It connected right them big.
Okay, so you know it can hungry power.
You know it can hungry it. I say, watch out. When me put on 100 shot and remember me for come wicked, because guess what? Anytime I go 100, I just look on him like I want to look at answer crawl and just step on him and crush him.
Then what? Are you retired Brem or what? Because me not say our Brem no retire. Me don't know. Because we not see Brem in a while.
Me tell him say right now, you better finger one two ZZ, because right now in life for that better.
Better like how BossyD, tell me.
Because you not enjoy himself. He not enjoy himself. Because he carry upon more he drive right now. I don't know what happened.
No meat now keep BossyD. That's why the man carry upon.
Alright, look here. Around a year ago, Brem not come at Jam West. A long time Brem not come at Jam West, man.
Okay.
If Brem come since me put on nitrous pump, I probably must know say, yo, me put on 75 shot of nitrous for my mind that I run down in a 12. He probably use that as excuse and not come no way because he knows me I'm going to war it out.
But BossyD, proper way in the comment I say him last Brem, you know. So I will really last. Eh?
What I mean by last? What I mean by proper way? I mean by last Brem. Last Brem in our way. Because proper way and Brem never run it. Me not understand.
Me not understand. You have to make you know I'm going for reading there.
Me don't know what him at talk about. Because I look a nigga will love chat, you know, and try to make up things, we pretty up things, you know. And try to highlight himself, you know.
But maybe I only did that 16. Me don't know. Maybe before he said.
No. When he have been in 16, ask him what me do to him. Because I never win me yet, you know. Him left all the way from we are Senton. Say, I come down here to come call me when me have my black top.
Yeah.
And I give it to him, make him cry, go home. Cry like I want to look a baby going home. You understand?
Say, hold on. So you're on proper way race already?
Yeah.
And in proper way?
Him claim say, you know where me all the time say, yo, listen me give you a jump. Because we deal with him down in town. Him claim say me can't in a Iceland and carry a slip up. I say proper way. You carry hardly can spin over your tire, them I talk about we spin a kill you. Eh? If I want bicycle go down there and pedal through all this skid tire and fear one and ball it tire them, I talk about wheel spin a kill you. Eh? If you are do less wheel spin, I mean I do more, you should have beat me. I mean Boca Jam was same way. Me and Boca Jam was asking when me do it, me step up in my face same way.
So you beat proper way at Jam West too?
And beat him down in town. Because you want now. You have a brother named Jacko Boy, right? Jacko Boy jump up and say, because after, you know what little thing used to grow on, he claims, say, boy, I'm coming here, come call me. Can you say, my black top are real up and I go and read things down here. So he claims,
question, BossyD. You and Jacko race already?
Yeah. Me and race at Jam West.
Stick up in. I just want to say a big shout out to tonight's sponsors for making tonight possible. Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, WAP Performance, Quickly Wrecking and Haulage, Boosting, Zidach Performance, Massive Auto Parts, and Kaizen Wrecking. All right. Hey, enough little thing, me never know about BossyD. Me never know that.
Yeah, man. Be honest
with you. Before we talk about Jacko and proper way, there was a K series where me said you and him did have a little thing for Seckle. Shane Mendes.
Well, yes. But be honest with you, boy do things for me overnight.
Hold on, stick up in again, BossyD. The fans in the comments saying that you beat the 400 mark. So congratulations, BossyD. Yeah, it's not everybody can come on the live and break the 400 mark since we start. Yeah. So I have to big up on the preps there, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I feel say I go way more over the 400. So I could see what I go on before the night done.
Yeah, man.
You see it.
Well,
yeah, man. So
with me and Shane Mendes now.
Yeah.
Me never really, be honest with you, me never really have no other one when me say boy will really match up with me down here. So I just pick on him. And he said to me, BossyD, you really want to race me? But he always said that, but he not say nothing. So me no feel like say boy everything is everything. So me always the panic case. Because when I tell you I'll drive, come over my garage and me show me nitrous back and spray and say, yo, you see this? This me I use and spray pan and kill it like a fly. You understand? So then time the boss does a smile and does a take everything, you know, but why be honest with you? Me tell him something I'll kill him, you know. But be honest with you, he turn back around the other way around and him kill me man and burn. But me make him know say, yo, listen me. You kill me, but you have a dope if you get rid of now, cause you know done.
Yeah.
I mean, I haunt you.
That
so you have to get rid of the dopey. Because,
so,
be honest with you,
you had him to run back then?
Yeah, man, you have a dopey if you get rid of now, man. Me might kill me, you know. So the dopey rise and you know, so me make you know, so you have a dopey if you get rid of, just like how, you know what I say? Yeah. So, me a big man thing, in car fast. But you don't know, so you can't give up and say, boy, a man car fast, you're going like so your herbs. You're challenging me. So that's me I try to make it stress. Just like when I upgrade for me Just upgrade the nitrous and do some little pre pan the Z and get his Z crazy. You understand me? I say, because be honest, the day when me and the run down there, me kind of have a little problem, gearbox problem. Me a lock me with a sound gear there. So but even if you never have no gearbox problem, I mean like me not think me could have beat him same way. You understand?
Okay.
Be honest with you. He's a man, me talk straight.
You know that me love with the BossyD.
Yeah, me not think me could have beat him, but nothing beat a child. You understand?
A trial but a failure. Nothing beat a trial but a
So even though my gearbox they give me a little fault and like they lock me out of gear. You understand? So ending idea, even if we never have that problem there, I don't think we could have managed it. And car run good. Real good. Because he upgrade for me like a smartphone. You see me I say? Yeah.
Oh, he go do him homework and rally back for him.
Upgrade. Yeah man, he upgrade. Yo, big up in mechanic, Bali. You don't know things that already, because you don't know, saying you what the race down there, you slip up on me, man, you almost died. But hey, you know what I'm saying?
You almost killed Bali.
No, ask him, man. Me make Bali, make no mistake down there. Ask him. Me make Bali, you remember when Bali go a race track every minute, Bali I miss gear and rare. Yeah. Bali miss gear, man, and Bali find it back and come past me, Because I couldn't make his Z go over the finish line before him, because how would that happen, Ask him,
Zin.
2 times and Bali racing, man, me make Bali.
But
no in gearbox,
You almost step in a Bali neck back then.
Ask him. When he come back and say, BossyD, boy, me don't know where me find back the gear then, but me have to rewind and go back. Because me look and see Z, a galang in front me. The boss say, boy, yo, me have to find one gear and pull him in back. Yeah, man. Mr. Bali, you know you miss it by the edge of your teeth. Come here, look for you if you put in a coffee in you, but you're lucky.
You're lucky coffee.
Yeah, man. I mean, go back out there again, and I tell you, man, watch ya. Me left him in a hole again, man, and yo, when Bali pass me, man, me not tell you a lie, I breeze off my machine, pull for me one. Me not tell you a lie. Big man thing.
That breeze That breeze, they feel like 171 breeze when they pass you.
It breeze off my machine, man, pull for me, man, and say, yo, like I went plane a blood clot take off, man, when Bali pass me. I tell you.
Hey, hey, trust me, All right, BossyD. So we talk about Shane, we talk about Brem, we talk about Sanchez.
Yeah.
Then we talk about who left out.
Well, be honest with you, me not think me have no more rival and no like proper way. Because I just want calming and make you know, say, yo, listen me, stay in your lane. You understand? Because I'm come, all right, you know what I do now? I'm try to break it down my thing. Because you know what I do now? He jump up a talk about say, boy, him run 13-1 and start computer. So I say, if you run 13-1 pan stack, the day down there, him not run back now 13. If you, when I time you must run 13-7. If you run 13-1, why you going back all the way back up at 13-7 then? You understand? Anyway, and from that day, a matter of fact, that day when he run, when he claims he run to appear 14, he run anyway. You understand me? I say, so me I say, yo, he might try to match up with me then. I say, boy, how he beat my car pan stock computer. You understand me? I say,
BossyD, your fans them almost start war a while ago now when them not see you come on,
No man, yo, I want thing, look here, I want thing with me, man. I not let down my fans them so easy,
Straight.
Yeah. I not let down my fans them so easy. I always make my fan there, Yeah.
What you mean?
Always there for them.
And
that's the reason why when we come in, I have to big up my fans them.
Yeah. And that's the reason to why when you touch the track, BossyD, it's a different energy.
Yeah, man, so when you come and touch the track, man, you see, man, appear real up thing, man.
Yeah, man, I tell you.
Thing, man, it come like when Bunty and Beanie touch your stage, man, so I think set already.
A real thing. But watch this now, we never go waste no more time, we're going to go straight tonight, see?
Yeah.
What happened to a fellow by the name of Brown Bread? Wasn't there a little rivalry at some point between you and Mr. Bread?
Yeah, all right, you want me know? I never really did a pick on him, you understand me? I say, because him just did set up a machine. So, but I feel like, if you say, as a man, we're in the system so long, Him should have know say, yo, get a car, feel it out, know where you can kill people of doing before you think about calling out a man, because the ending idea will flap yourself.
True,
You understand me? I say?
That's why you're asking if you can run good yet.
If you can run good yet. Because ending idea, if me and him go down there, go run, and ending idea, me go run with him, would have beat him because he can develop a problem. So then some of them they are trying to show him, say, yo, listen, me don't call out no one until you know you can walk, know you can run good. Because for right now, you know, say you can creep or walk,
so
but you can't run it.
Are you brown bread the call out?
No, no, listen me, I'm a Japan look at words them neatly. So we put one and two and no say, he come like a meme attack.
Okay.
Like they are pick on him, he say, boy, yo. You know?
Right.
But he must say some things in a some way where he feel like some can't understand in Chinese language.
In what kind of language?
In Chinese language.
Oh.
You understand? So me realize I understand where he must say no and just say, listen me, you sure you can't run good yet?
You decode it. You decode it. I realize that. Okay.
Right. So me tell him, say, yo, you're trying to go down your bucket too, you know. Kind of your bucket too, me I'll step in your neck back. You understand?
BossyD,
and he now go look good by your clothes.
More you drop it up where they drop. Where you say, at the same tone you say, hell boy.
No, because when he said that, me say, hell boy, seems like you want to call me out. You sure you can run good yet? You sure you can run yet? Trying to go down the bucket big to you, cause me get step in here, because he not go look good by you, cause. Oh, so no, yeah, do. You understand? Yeah. So you can't call out a youngster, and you know where you're there. Can me tell him, you know? Me say, listen, me, you know, so me small. When me bought my 2 and I just get up and brush on myself and gone. But then take all how much somebody to lift him up, because he's heavy. You understand? You understand? Yeah, them something.
Hey, when him drop in, I must come back up here and say, BossyD.
No. Man, I tell you, but you want me now. I'm a general still, you know, so for me, I'm thinking kind of different. So, you know, really take none as personal. You see me, I say,
straight.
Because you don't do things, because, you know, I'm tell you the truth. He said, if elbow I get as said the right.
Yeah.
That's the reason I said to him, I say, elbow, and you can run to me in the same class, I see him teach, I teach me.
And he ain't force.
You're not forced, because in the idea, I see him class, you know. You understand? But you say if you go over in 11 now, you are the man. Gear preps. Yeah. You understand? But the ending idea, if you get a car right, it will run good. Because to a setup, once you get in a good peak of farm, it will run. Once you get it right. You understand?
All right. So tell me something now. Oh, like roughly about how much I think when him sort out, about how much I think he will be able to run.
Well, you want me know. Guess what me know? You see, in a thing like this now, all right, be honest with you, if you get the car right, if you get it right, you probably go over in 11. Run like lower level, so in the region. Me now go say more run 9, I'm more run 10. But me know he will run 11. Be honest with you. You understand me? I say? And once, as you say, listen me, as if you get it right, if you get the mix right, if you get the right, when you know, like when you're hot and you drink a nice cool lemon, you understand? I cool you down. If you get it right, trust me. He said it right. You understand me? I say,
Yeah.
Well, I go break him down and say, boy, I can't run that, I can't run that, I this, I can't. No, I'm not join them game there. I not go to my man and say, boy, yo, you can't do that. What, any car can go fast, you know, but how you do it? Because in the idea, some man put on everything what Jesus called for.
Yeah.
And in the idea, guess what? Then go down there and he still not do it time.
Still not force.
Yeah, he still go down there and make fool of himself. You understand? That's the reason why, you know, when me set up my machine, man ask me what time you run, I tell him, I don't know. Until when go down there run it time.
Yeah, cause enough time man call time, and then when then guy truck come like say,
then that me talk about cause.
Yeah.
That me talk about. Cause enough time I see man go down there, you know. Alright, let
Mm-hmm.
me show you something.
Mm-hmm.
A man we see a car on a road, and Twitter real up, and I go
Mm-hmm.
along with the antics, so he go down a big yard. Him a fool. He can't maintain it.
Mm-hmm.
Move
Mm-hmm.
from where in there, and sometimes when you hear it time when you run, you have to say, boy, what
Mm-hmm.
embarrassment this nigga call up on himself.
Disgrace, man.
Oh my God. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So in the
Mm-hmm.
night,
Mm-hmm.
that's the reason why I always tell a man, say, yo, you sometimes me do it time, me talk about it. But if me not do
Yeah.
it time yet, me not talk about it.
Mm-hmm.
You
Mm-hmm.
understand?
Mm-hmm.
Just
That's
like
true.
with proper way him know him a run and him more about how he run 13-1.
Yeah.
And a guy can't show him time slip.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Because he want
Mm-hmm.
to say, yo, him tell him what I do. He want to match up with me, to say him have the fastest 2ZZ all motor pan stack computer. You understand? So in the idea,
Oh.
Mr. Harris, since as you have the fastest 2ZZ pan stack computer, show with the time slip. Me can show you all of my time slip, then we say 13-2, 13-1,
Mm-hmm.
13-0. Me can show you all of them. And me can show you
Mm-hmm.
all of my 12-second time slip. Show me yours, master.
Mm-hmm.
He can't
Mm-hmm.
prove it, but say, boy, in and if he prove that, why? I said, then, why come in a group and I come check? Come here, in a same group, watch group, You understand?
Okay.
After boy
Okay.
using back wheel on stage down there now, so when you use a back wheel on stage, that shit all good. Like say you do. You understand? Because guess what? Me can look on a film time slip, I say 13-2 or 13-1, I look on the miles
Yeah.
per hour and I look on a film and I know if you do it, yes or no, So you must feel
Mm-hmm.
say people are idiot. We now watch
Okay.
60
So
foot. We now watch 60 foot, We are watching miles
yeah.
per hour because anyhow, you show me 3 miles per hour, you say you run 13 when I look up on my time miles per hour. You can't know the difference because one go fast on one. So you feel like every day and get up
Oh.
my table and run 13 when you can't prove, you can't show it. Don't people in a show. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah.
Listen what I say. But suppose, I mean, because I'm not sure if there's any evidence though to support the fact that or the statement that him stage him back wheel. But the mere fact that him don't want to show you, because you say him don't want to show you, right?
You don't want to show the group, other group. Because remember, him come out,
Oh,
and I mentioned him out, so how he run the 13-1. You
yeah.
understand? So we say, prove it.
Mhm.
I'm going to go for all of me times, because I mean, much I have to prove,
Oh,
Because
so
in the
hold
night,
on, you know. You know, say from what they hear that little talk, they go around, prove it. And me
yeah,
just realize which party come from. Oh, so you tell himself to prove it.
prove it. You understand?
Okay. And him
Prove it.
cannot prove it.
You cannot prove it, but me can prove my own. So in the idea, guess what? Him is liar. You understand? That's the reason why. That's the reason why me tell him, say, yo, listen me. You say, if I never this local virus thing we are growing, me say, me do ask Robert, because the same time he push up himself to the gate, me ask any
Mm-hmm.
man whether in front me or whatever view, if you make me go in at the ring, I will prove who are the man.
Just
You
like Quadio
understand?
Sanchez.
Oh my God, you understand? Because I rate Robert, because Robert, I'm one way me always there, Yeah. Because I want to
But
prove boy,
then I say Roberta your manager, man. Or you name tell me say Roberta your manager.
Yes, man. I'm a general
I
that, man.
general I
Yeah, man,
general.
I'm a general. Yeah, man, I'm a general that, man.
Oh you
Yeah,
mean
man.
cuz? Oh
Always me
you
say
mean?
again, big up Kenty, because Kenty are all sport man, man. All race,
Is
Yeah.
it?
And that the
Is
man that make
it?
people who me yeah to sport in Jamaica right now, I
Yeah,
tell
man.
you, People used to
Is it?
sleep on sport now that the man who make all who man of yours. Anyway, they forget to look at ambition from no man starts find ambition and spend pan car,
Yeah, man.
You
A real man.
understand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
man. It think nice for real, man. Me not like Kenty do a real good job for drag racing right now in
yeah, man.
Jamaica, you know?
On a big man level, me have to big him up because I hunger man when me see me go at Vernon Field, because Vernon Field me know him from, Well, me
Oh.
see my Vernon Field, but me never talk it. And me see that man windscreen broke on Sunday. I mean, when you get man from come put in windscreen and the man out there. So you have to say, yo, so the brother you're a real sport man. Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Brother.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man. Me
Right,
always have
that's
to
up on
talk
the
about
track.
you, man. Eh?
Right, on the track. It windshield replace.
Yeah, man. So you know, so them man they are a real sportman, man. So right now that the man they make people rise machine. It don't really matter if a 16 second, 15 second, as a man buy a local machine, yo, I don't say my talk about.
Straight.
I tell you.
Straight.
You understand? I remember saying, I look at 16 second, I look at 15 second, and them a crowd go with, you look at 13 second anyway, and them kind of happy up a crowd, so we can't really brook them down in a thing, even though, like fast man, them, cause so them have to make one run like in 9 second and like 8 second, man, one pass them have to make until we down in a last, but say, you look at underdog, you look at 13 second or 14 second or 15 second, so them keep it crowd lively, and what I say, a man bet money, and so you don't know anything said, so we have to kind of big up, can't have to big up the local man the same way, because no matter what happen, a man buy a local machine, or when he now go fast, he still go to go support him. You see me I say?
Let me tell you something, BossyD. Stick up in, stay, right? You are the only person who, when we're there on a live, and we restart a live and it go back over 400. You're the only person since we start the live series, like about a week or two ago. You're the only person where when we restart the live, the viewership gone back up a which party did they?
Yeah.
Yo, I have to say, yo, hey, seriously now, BossyD. You have some serious fans out there, more you know that,
yes, man. That's why as I say again, because I always have to big up my fans them.
Straight.
I care who. You understand me? I say, because guess what, I'm a man with me journeying. I mean, always reason with. Let me tell you something. Sometimes a man when I hear me sound certain way in my voice, like, like me talk loud and me sound like me ignorant. But, yo, if a man get to know me, man, me tell a man, so now watch. It's sound of me, man. Because at the end of the day, that's the way you hold me. Because me look here, so I have to talk loud to make people see me,
It's still.
Yeah, I mean, I have to talk, You understand? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So,
yeah, man.
You know what a man feel like, so when they hear me say certain things, me mean nothing. Because you don't know, so you have to have a look. So me I say,
you can't go, you have to make up. You have to make up.
Eh?
You have to make up.
Yeah, all right. So my look man and kind of take one thing personal, I mean, like, when I hear me talk, or even mental, me a mental not have nothing. But in the idea, the man just not lie me for no reason at all. You understand?
So your mental good now, though.
No, be honest, if he see me and heal me heal him. You understand?
Oh.
Me not have nothing against no one. If a man see me and heal me or whatever view, but some my man them go like a son look a girl. You understand? Like say boy, yo. You understand me? I say, me and Proper kick off enough time, but in the idea, me and Proper not have anything. We just talk about sport and railway, whatever. If you tell lie, we just tell us straight up, say you tell lie. And if you say you do certain things, prove it. But don't get up and talk when you don't prove, or you don't have no proof of.
So
some of them are like when you talk that.
If Proper way see you now and heal you heal him back.
No man, them I not have nothing. Me in the same group, I will talk same way. I run my mouth on him same way. And then we them, I don't really have nothing against no one. You understand me? I say,
you just want him to prove it.
You understand? The only thing I want him to do is just prove your time. Prove it.
All right.
That's all.
Right, and more everybody in our chat room for type prove it. Because that's the new talk we are left tonight with, just type prove it.
Prove it. Simple.
You understand?
Me can prove my time slip then.
Straight.
So you get up and then you run your mouth and talk, say, yo. Man, yo, listen me tell you something. When me run 13-6, me never get up and brag and boast about it. Because in the idea that couldn't win out 13 seconds. Young weird that can win out, you can go in at like, go in a class with that. Unless no class not full up. Why you can't go in at with 13-6. You understand me I say? But even 13-1, if 13-1 probably can make a grid.
Yeah,
you understand? But like 13-2 anyway, but in the idea, when I look at man, I can't talk about, say, boy, yo, you run 13-1, you feel continue, because you all right, look here, make you know something.
Yeah.
You see, first time me run 13-2, I'm on push mill. And when time I go and I come run, I get the time slip before push mill. You understand?
Yeah.
And I look on it, me see 13-2. So I say, yo, this I can't for me. So when I look back over and I see 12, I think I 12 something in the run, either 12-6 somewhere and I can't carry the game and look at issue. You understand? But I say, yo,
Yeah.
12-6 can't for me, I must see 13-2. So I say, no, sir. So I go back again. I do it again and come back on the same 13-2. I go back again and say, hey, look here, man.
30. Hey, but hold on. BossyD. You know, say, me hear a little talk, say, boy, one night time, the printer machine, the machine will print the time slip. Say nearly, they almost run out of the paper, you know, because you run till the belly full.
Yeah, me have, because when me go to Jam West, me not stop run, because I run and enjoy. And when me now win, I run and enjoy myself. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you see, when me have on the nitrous, I saw me know say Z can take drugs, you know. You saw me have on the nitrous pan, I 2 back to me have in a cause.
What?
One for Saturday and one for Sunday, you know. And when me start using me just a beat like that, you know.
So every run and nitrous.
Oh God Almighty, man. Yo, it's so sweet, man. Yo. When me come to Hurlock and I nitrous come in, you know, man. Oh my God, man. I fast me reach on my bottom my chop. Nothing me top, me can't top. I tell you. You understand? Clock past 180 gone all the way around. And me go back and I say, no, so me have to feel this. You understand?
Yeah.
Oh God, man. Yo. So you see, for ending the idea. Certain nigga.
Yeah.
So me see certain nigga, it's like all proper way, you know. Me can give my all motor running, you know, but you want me know, me have to step in a fiend face, like step in a fiend face, the wickedest away, man. Cause you can't give no edge over you, you know. Cause you know you love running him out, so you don't deal with them, they sitting, you know, you have to just last them like a marble. You know, when you play marble and you go down in a crab hole. You understand? Yeah, you have to just deal with them. When you fire me, just go last in a one crab hole. So you have to deal with them, man. You just throw dirt on them and get rid of them out of the system. You understand? So you have to deal with them, cause you know when yeah.
They want to Jacob boy now. Can you say when I tell you about Jacob boy?
No, you want me now. You see Jacob boy now. Jacob boy come down here and first when me and Jacob boy run, me kill him in a show. But be honest with you, I never did know how nitrous, because at the time when he come in, he say, yo, he carries a nitrous guy. But in the idea, I never did really follow up in nitrous thing. So you see, the first one, me and run and me beat him, but he claims say boy in Calway he jump off. But me beat him. Win is a win. It don't really matter.
Win is a win. Win is a win.
Yeah. Right. But you see, second run now with me and him, me left him in a hole for dead, you know. I mean, like, say, boy, it's like, yo, all me have to say, me only see Jacob boy does, I think a 13-7, do. So, when I realized, I said, then, I saw serious nitrous the big man. Because me tell him, me like, me left him man in a hole, you know. And the man just run past me. You understand? So, me say, anyway, since as me can't manage up on the nitrous, give me an all motor run. He said no, because the way how he see me left him in a hole, he cannot give me an all motor run.
All motor.
Yeah, he cannot give me an all motor run. So I say, okay, all right, because he's saying can't tune for nitrous. You understand? So I just leave it from there. So I say, okay, all right. So I say, boy, you know, me will step up again. But the end of the idea, me not really. No, after me I'm done run now, everything now. Proper way, you know, it in 16-16, you know, him March come down like my star boy. Say him come kill it 20. You understand? So when he come down, I say, no problem. I mean, go down to the market. You understand what I say? Because I done the race at night time. You understand?
Yeah.
Anyway, I deal with him in a show down there. Me all ask him, say, yo, I Sanchez all set off a race. And when me deal with him, I surf him and say, yo, you know what, I'll give him a jump. He say, no, I don't jump because he battery all right. That he said to me. I mean, deal with him in a show already. When I start playing, I make him start galang, I just run past him. He come run and he start find fault. Because I saw me call him faulty guy, you know. Because in the idea, him come run and he start talk about. Eh?
What kind of guy you call him?
Faulty guy. Because every time you run, he have a fault. You understand? Yeah. So you understand? So in the idea, you know, when Mary come back, when he said, well, in shift a cable, jump off, and he never get second, and in this and in that. So he said, all right. He fix up in car, and he said, get it right. I say, you ready now, so everything all right with this? And he said, yes. I mean, last time I show me, I'll put out all me hand, I call him.
I call him.
I said, come on, man, you creep too much, man. You hold up my time. That's what me I deal with him, you know. You understand? So in the idea, you know, he come down at Jam West now, and he come flip again now, and I just And at the time that is Z, me have, you know. And he said, me forgive him, I run. And I said, Lord God, I want you. What this little nigga I do, man?
I'm too
wet
fast
him.
guy, man.
Yeah, man. I'm wet him again. So me say to him, me say, proper way. You better you go on to ZZ, you know, because that's the only way you're going to have a chance. He said, I want no Z, because Z I last letter in the alphabet. That's what the man tell me, you know. I'm a
Oh,
live to
yeah.
see the boy go. I'm a live to see him go to ZZ and I come go like saying, I want to come play me and I come honor to me. You understand? I tell me,
Oh,
I tell
yeah,
you.
BossyD.
Yeah.
So,
When
hold
Mr.
on. So,
Things,
what
you
was the
better you go
fault?
to ZZ, eh?
What was the fault when they beat him down a judgment yard? What was the fault?
No, he couldn't say nothing. He couldn't, Lord God, me sit down on my place, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? Don't
All
judge when you
right.
come
All
on,
right.
let me tell you something. It's when you
Yeah.
come on to racing, it don't really matter if you have a Honda or whatever you want to drive. When you reach down, you say, me and no friend. A war
Straight.
time. So either you kill me
Straight.
or me kill you. I say things set. We don't have no friend when we reach down there, sir. So when you hear someone look man I can talk about Toyota man, a man of a flip and tie. Well, look here, when you come on Honda or Toyota man, where you reach up man, me a step in your face, man. I tell you
Anything
that.
come then.
Yeah.
Anything.
I step in your face, so it don't really matter. You
All right. Tell
understand?
me.
Me and my
So,
own friend when you reach down
right.
there, sir. Yeah.
Right. So basically, I guess one of the things them were really a cause this is proper way now really show no preps to the elder and I think.
No. In kind of, me tell you, be honest with you, I have not against him, but yes, I was on me see our brother this day. In kind of, what I call you know, in kind of all of himself. He's a one youth where, brother, it's like, to give people ratings like that. He always look
Oh,
forward, like he always want to say, yo, him a the man. And you know, so be honest with you, you know, so me can run time, and you never hear me get up and brag and boast and chat about certain things. Me always, when me and one man, we at it, me always a big man. When we reach on a judgment here, we see who are the man. Me now go say, boy, if me care fast and come man, can dead in a show scene, you know. Because
that's
any
true.
look at thing can happen and a man dead, you know. So in the idea, when me say, yo, when we reach on this, so we see who are the man. If a man beat me, a man beat me. I just say things, because man, no man are perfect. I hear what in a life. You win some, you lose some.
I saw you
You
go man, I
cannot
race
win
it
everything.
man.
You understand me? I say, but some look man now, when you win them, they always have to say, Victor man, they in chatter kind of say, like all him.
Quality
That the
guy.
man there, no man. You never win him yet, you have something to say, you know. I tell you, you know.
Hey, man,
But
big
I
up a
true.
virgin
You
proper
know,
way
talk
still
me
up.
any back, I tell him straight up. You understand?
Yo.
Our number one again, me never yet. Like she said, boy, me I try to prove on him. And him a come flip on me, you know. Because he want to try to show me up. Me never yet go and like say, boy, I want to flip on him. And him.
Okay.
Because he might call me up and ask me what time he do. And what time.
Yeah.
And me look on him. And me look on him and tell him say the proper way. The play, because you see the engineer, they not beg for speed, you know, kind of plating, but I feel like it's that plating, you know. Me tell him all of them there's something there. When me hear all ship on him, man, you know, like, you see two ZZ,
Yeah.
yeah, but when time you know rev them over certain RPM, they always a bust up oil pump. They have a look of oil pump fault and something there. You understand? So more time you have to upgrade in something. Because moment you understand, because you see oil pump, you see gear make it brittle. You make what I want in like a cast iron. You understand? Because me bust up two of them already. You understand? So in the idea that for them fall. So in the idea, you know, when I me all look man I tell me say you better upgrade the car. To when refine car when go on, man I tell him say man make you like say man chat a garbage man I tell him it's like a look man where anything when you lucky man you can't say nothing to him. So more time now when me hear the match I nobody come in and say because I know say it's a brother where you're hard to please and you're hard to deal with. And there's nothing where you can't tell him and he say alright right. You understand? I want look man me hear that the man they come like me don't know them too. I want look man me hear that the man anything that the man they tell him. He will rather work with that the man there. And that the man they don't have a time slip. And that the man not even know where in car there. Me not have to call on him. You understand me? I say a man have a time slip and have a car running so good. He not really listen to that the man there, but he will listen to a man when not even go a chat. When nobody don't know. You understand where you know have a time slip. You see me?
Zid,
So if me put in a 2
Zid.
ZZ, if a man where I do a fast at time, like I run one wicked time, and me put in a 2 ZZ, and me know that the man, the fee or fee man I run, anything where that the man tell me, I give me a work with, you know.
You know what you
Tell me, I
mean?
tell you.
Stick up in
You
it,
understand what I say?
BossyD. Stick up in. I just want to say big up to tonight's sponsors for making our live series possible. Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, WAP Performance, Squickly, Wrecking and Haulage, Boosting, Zidach Performance, Massive Auto Parts, and Kaizen Wrecking. Be sure to check out our sponsors, visit their page, social media pages, and show them some love. All right, BossyD, back to
Yeah.
business now. Now, the fans in the chat room asking about Ted.
Ted, who name so?
I don't know. Fans in
Yeah,
the chat room. Who is Ted? Them said Ted from Spatek.
Spatek. Well, with Ted now, me and the pan want look of beef, but it's right now, we not even
Yeah.
want good this, because, you know, it's a long time thing, and
Okay.
you understand, because in the idea, me never try to disrespect that youth, because the youth when me used to carry go to school back in the
Yeah.
days. I mean, you know, some look man when they reach a certain level, they feel like say, boy, they want to come flip on the elder. And me never
Yeah.
did disrespect him in no farm way. And then way because him first try to style me now one way, because in the idea, me never did like calling him in nothing. I mean, I mentally act it. I want next brother where they come from town and sit and him just barging and try to style me. And that's something I kick off
Oh,
from. You understand me? I say, so we're
yeah,
not really good
yeah.
at so then there's something that Moses days and whatever
Yeah.
view. As I don't hear so
Okay.
seeing we, I don't hear some man seeing we, but you know,
Yeah.
I don't want a man feel like saying want to come style me in a certain type of way. Me never call his name in my interview with them.
Yeah,
You
yeah, yeah,
understand?
yeah,
So in the
yeah.
idea, if me and that man have a look at interview, me no see why you should have come go like you want to come style me. I
Mm-hmm.
me never style
Mm-hmm.
in a no farm away. So there's some things that kind of get out of proportion with me and him. You understand
Yeah.
me? I say, but
Okay.
I show them the
Yeah,
thing
man.
that them way there.
I all preps that. I all preps
Yeah,
that.
so in the idea, you know,
Yeah.
in my
Yeah,
part of
yeah,
the
yeah.
same way, don't have some man same way. And you don't
Nothing
know a
wrong,
thing set
man.
already. Even though you're not on the island still, you know, over so you live same way. Can me feel like say, I
Oh,
got a
okay.
friend, you must see me and heal me, see him, you must see me and heal him. You see me? So, we're
See,
not really good at
see. See.
yeah.
All right, cool. All right, so as I
Mm-hmm.
said earlier, BossyD, we have quite a few sponsors tonight who are messaging me off the air that they want to sponsor you some stuff. Zine.
Yeah.
So yes, so I know everybody respect you, everybody love you, and I'm sure if every single person tonight watching could
Yeah.
sponsor you in some way, or if they still wish to sponsor, they can link you directly. You know them.
Yeah,
You
man.
know.
Yeah,
So,
man. Yeah, man. That
but
can go on, man.
yeah, so I have a few announcements when we ready to wrap up the live. So just stay tuned for that. We're going to go into some questions now.
Yeah.
Persons who wish to ask you any question. We're not ask you about today.
Well, all right. You see me
Oh,
now?
oh yeah. Yeah, we are
Yeah,
seeing now.
man.
We are seeing now. All right. So all right, somebody's asking ask him what him do to the car, what kind of upgrade. What kind of upgrade they do so far, boss?
Well, be honest with you, you see Z now, we just step up a line flywheel panning, a line pulley wheel, and a mega square tree. You understand? That's the only thing we put on panning.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the only thing when we put on the machine. And a 6
And they look
powered
at
gearbox.
nitrous.
And they look and I look, hey, look here. Yo, me welcome anybody if you step in a Z world, man. Because Z not play thing, you know. Yeah.
Mm-mm.
And a man, right now, you know, big man thing, you know. If you notice, nobody not talk about 20 valve again, you know. P2 ZZ,
25
man, a
laugh.
last in our system. Because you want now. You see money where you're spending at 20 valve. You see money where you are spending at 20 valve. If you get that
Yeah.
run fast, you just buy one 2ZZ. Hey, look here, you know, so when I buy my 2ZZ, you know, 90,000 pay for it.
What?
90,000 I got 2 ZZ never there. Right now when a man going up in a store, in a the pawn shop, the man see all 2 ZZ. No man no look on 2 ZZ, I pay 25 man they talk about. Me wrong or me right?
I true that.
And you know, when me put, yeah, and 90,000, look here, me sell for me 2 ZZ. Me sell me 20 valve for $150,000. And me buy me 2 ZZ for $90,000. And I see him gearbox me use. The only thing when me do, me just change the bellows. Same axle, same engine mode, everything. One of my bridging down here shine wired for me.
Look there. And gone with money in your pocket.
My God, man. You understand? No, 2 ZZ I sell for 230, 250,000.
Are you cause that in a BossyD? You know that though?
Right, so things. Because when I time, you know, we feel me black top be a rain, you know. Then they sell it for whole for money, see, you know. So right now you can get black top for chicken fee right now. I said I think, you know, man. I said I way to go. You understand? Yeah. I said I way to go.
Zane, tell me something.
Let's look here. Look, Panny, you know. 75 shot of nitrous. 12 tree. 1 mega skirt tree. And go down in a 12, in a 13, 2, 13, 0. Just look at that. When me finger on the old jugs, Panny. Oh my God, man. It's an enjoyment.
Machine.
Yeah.
Machine.
I don't know how thing, man.
You would have boost it though? You would have got turbocharge?
You know, some not too. You know, some really all motor. In natural, less problem.
Oh, I see what you say.
Too much big my word. You see, you have more enjoyment in an all motor more I boots thing right now. You understand?
More reliable.
You can just go there and just do what you have to do. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Well,
so, all right.
Well, you have now. Some man, you know, it boosts my work good for them or whatever view. But in my opinion, I feel like say all motor, me feel more comfortable with the all motor for right now.
Seeing.
Me not too like it, you know? Yeah.
Seeing. All right. In the meantime, I just want to say big up to tonight's sponsors, Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, WAP Performance, Quickly Wrecking and Haulage, Boosting, Zidach Performance, Massive Auto Parts, and Kaizen Wrecking. All right, BossyD.
Yeah.
I'm going to just mention some of the sponsors who are on board tonight with you to give you some stuff. We have Mr. Christopher Carty, Toda, who will be giving sponsoring mobile credit. So the credit where you purchased today to put on the service for go live, Mr. Carty will be reimbursing you, will be sponsoring you some mobile credit. See, so big up to Toda for that sponsorship. Zidach Performance is sponsoring you 2 shirts, 2 t-shirts. Let me see. Yes. So Zidach Performance is sponsoring you 2 t-shirts. Right? And Mr. Kenneth Timol. You know who name, sir?
Well, me know him, but I might not know him by name, you understand?
You don't know who name? You might know him, but not by name.
Yeah, me know him, because most of the rest of them, I know them, but I don't know them by their name, you understand? Yeah.
Okay,
most of them I really know. I know him. Matter of fact, I know all the rest of them, but some of them I don't know them by their name.
Alright, watch this now. You see Mr. Kenneth Timol?
Yeah.
Are your manager, brother, or no? No, Ken T, man.
Oh. But you call, you know, by the name, you know who, you see me? Man.
Yeah, man. We just give an official title tonight. But yeah, man, I Ken T, man.
Yeah.
All right. Let me see now. Bam. All right. I see persons messaging me while I'm talking to you. Jay is sponsoring you $1,000 mobile credit also.
Okay.
Right? So
Yeah,
that is
man,
more
Jay, yeah.
credit. Yeah,
Yeah, man,
more
I know
credit
Jay,
on
man.
top of it.
Jay, I'm a general, you see me?
All right, all right.
Yeah,
So
man.
more credit on top of the credit.
Yeah, man.
Right? And back to now, Mr. Timmel's sponsorship, Kenty. Cause you know Kenty are
Yes.
your boy, you know.
Yeah, man. Oh, God, man. Yo.
Kenty is sponsoring you, sir. Um, a pair of slicks 24 by 9.
Yes, sir.
Zane, him said that will help you to finish in fourth gear.
Mm-hmm.
You see it? So big up to Kenty for
Yeah, man.
sponsoring you the slicks. Big up to Jay and Zidaj Performance. Well, Jay and Toda for sponsoring mobile credit. Zidaj for sponsoring the t-shirt. And while I'm talking to you, PJ Performance is messaging me. And PJ Performance is sponsoring. Him say what kind of plug you use? What heat range?
Like,
NGK
funny,
Iridium.
yeah, the radium there, but like, for nitrous, we use like 7, you know?
The 7.
Yeah, because you don't
Ah,
know, say, a nitrous, you said coke, you know, so you don't know a thing set already.
all
You
right,
know?
all right.
Yeah.
So I believe that Mr. PJ from What Performance, he will be sponsoring you a set of plugs.
Yes, sir.
Right? More messages coming in. Mr. Andrew Hudson from he's the organizer for King of Shores.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
He's sponsoring you to refill your nitrous.
Yes, sir. No problem.
Zine,
Andrew, big up yourself, yeah.
yeah, man. So if
Yeah.
there's anybody else before we end the live who wishes to sponsor BossyD, you can message me on WhatsApp
Yeah.
or by Instagram before we end the live. Right?
Yeah.
So if you want to message me on WhatsApp, it's 876-855-5740.
Yeah.
Right?
More,
Um,
more,
hold on,
as we say,
more sponsorship coming in as I'm talking to your BossyD. Hold on that point. Grizzly is sponsoring you another nitrous refill.
yes, sir. No problem, sir.
Right? So
Well, for thanks, well, for respect.
yeah, man. So 2 nitrous refill that you're gone already.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, man.
If anybody else wishes to sponsor BossyD tonight, you can message me, whether on Instagram or you can WhatsApp me, 876-855-5740. I said that right? 876-855-5740. Yeah, man. All right. So back to business now, BossyD. I have to just say big up to the sponsors tonight.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Big up
Yo,
everybody, man.
yeah, everybody who no matter you see the thing with sponsorship, BossyD, is
Yeah,
you
man.
see
You
no
have to big
matter
them
how
up, man.
small,
Yes,
you
man.
know,
Me appreciate it.
every nickel.
Yeah, man. You know, really matter how small a thing is, and I'm gonna
Yes,
give you something, trust me. Appreciate
yes.
for it. You see me, can never have to, you never have to do it. You understand? So anything where
Straight.
a man give you have to just appreciate for it. Thank, you know, big him up on it. I'm gonna care how small things is. You
Mm-hmm,
understand?
mm-hmm,
Yeah.
mm-hmm,
That's how me
mm-hmm,
look my
mm-hmm,
life, brother. As I say
mm-hmm,
again,
mm-hmm.
I mean always have to big up 876. Always. Because
Every
in the
time, bro.
idea, I want to give me the first interview when I say don't play with his Z, you know? Yeah. Nah, forget that.
What
You
you mean,
understand?
man?
Yeah,
Bless up,
man,
bro.
because I wanna make the world know me. You understand me? I say? So in the
Yeah,
idea, I
man.
have to big up same way. I have to big up my fans them. And I care what I went and I say, yo, you know, in the idea, my fans them always respect me. You see me? I say, I may
I
respect
read
them. You understand? I
BossyD.
care what happen. Hey, all when I come home, I don't trophy, you know, I still enjoy myself. Because in the idea, I come home, I'm happy. Because one day I must have to,
Mm-hmm,
you understand, even though I win trophy already from 25 days and rare. You understand me? I say, but not
mm-hmm,
never done me for
mm-hmm.
a time. But in the
No.
year, guess what happened? Me not even watch
Mm-hmm,
that. I just go
mm-hmm,
enjoy myself.
mm-hmm,
You
mm-hmm,
understand?
mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And
Young man
Bossy
know
D,
so me don't do.
you know, as me there
Yeah,
talk to you, more sponsorship are coming though. More persons messaging me
yeah,
about
yeah.
sponsorship. Yeah, man. So let me mention let me mention it now before the live is up. Burner is sponsoring your next tune, you know.
Yes, sir. That the
Right.
man that make me know what is 13 second.
So
Burner,
big up Burner.
yeah, me have to big up Burner, cause Burner, that's that man make me know what is 13 second and make me feel the first 12 second per nitrous. And me still have to
Mm-hmm.
big up Specs same way, cause Specs they give me the last tune. You understand
Mm-hmm.
me I say? So me have to big up
Mm-hmm.
Specs
Mm-hmm.
same way no matter what happen. You
Yeah.
understand me? I have to big up the two tune of them cause in the idea, them still make the Z happy.
Yeah,
Tell me
man.
I tell you so. Me have to give them their props. Big up
Mm-hmm.
yourself, spread.
Mm-hmm.
You know? Yeah.
Yeah, man. Burner and Specs. All right, watch this now.
Yeah, man.
You know Carrot?
Carrot.
Mm-hmm. Carrot have the body, our 5E or 4E. Remind me, Carrot. The Tercel over there in Florida, where I make over 500 horsepower, man. Yeah, man. Him
Carrot.
up on the live now, man. Carrot, talk to me there.
Mm.
Anyway, Carrot is sponsoring you another nitrous refill.
Yeah,
The
man. Well, respect.
team them Mad Dean 82, EP 82. Yeah. So Mad Dean I say, yo, he's sponsoring you another nitrous, a nitrous refill.
Yeah, man.
I see No Limit Racing out of Cayman is sponsoring you $5,000 for breaking the record of viewers tonight.
Yeah.
Right? So
Yeah,
so
man.
even cash sponsorship are coming, right? Let me see now. Bam 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 bam. All right. Yes. So more sponsorship coming in, you know, but we as time go on, we will mention them, you know. But
Yeah.
I have to really say still, BossyD, you know, it is good to know that in this time while we're going through this little period, you know, persons can still find it find it to sponsor. You know, everybody could be selfish and say, boy,
Yeah,
you
man.
know.
Yeah, man. I really look here. I must say this again. Big up
Mm-hmm,
all I want. You sponsor me.
mm-hmm,
Big up. And whole heap
mm-hmm,
of thanks and whole heap of respect. Yeah.
mm-hmm,
I care how
mm-hmm,
small it be. Appreciate
mm-hmm,
it. You
mm-hmm,
understand? Yeah, me not go play like say boy, yo. Right. Now sponsor me.
mm-hmm,
You know? Yeah, man.
mm-hmm. Well,
So
all
whole
right.
heap of respect again.
All right. So for peeps talking about sponsorship, right? If you're typing it in the comments, I can't see it. Right? Too many
Yeah.
comments. So just WhatsApp me or call me. No, not call me because I'm on the live now. WhatsApp me or send a message on Instagram. Right? If you want to WhatsApp me, it is 855-5740. Right? BossyD, we have a few more minutes. We have a few more
Yeah.
minutes left on this live, but more sponsorship coming in. Hold on a little, BossyD.
Yeah.
Um, all right. So, Ike Nation Motorsport 20 US mobile credit. All right. So, you
Right.
have mobile credit are coming all in a US, bro.
Yeah.
Right. Robert, your manager, no? The Jenna,
Yeah.
no?
What you
Robert
mean, man?
is sponsoring you $10,000. BossyD,
Yeah.
you keep track of everything, so.
Yeah, man.
All
Yeah,
right.
man. Me I watch
So,
everything, man. Me I watch everything I go.
all right, all right, all
Yeah,
right.
man.
Whoa, whoa. All right. Ryan Auto is sponsoring you your next oil change,
Yeah. Yeah,
right?
man.
Um, who this now? All right. A lot of stuff coming in. I see Boosting is sponsoring you a free shot of Boosting,
Yeah.
all right? A lot of things coming in, BossyD. which I guess we'd have to
Yeah, man,
deal
I
with
see
some
them,
of
man,
them.
say everything I go up, you know?
Yeah, we have to deal with some of them off the air.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, yeah. A lot of sponsorship coming. So big up to everybody. All right. For persons who wish to contact BossyD, just how can persons contact you for further sponsorship?
Well, then can come from my number, you know, and you know, me tell him how to get me from there. You understand? Yeah.
All right. All right.
Yeah. No problem.
Mention the number of BossyD so them can save it.
Yeah, man, 481
Mm.
0523.
481
0523.
0523.
Yeah.
All right. All right. All right. So while the sponsorship are coming in, anybody with questions, um, question, I'm going to tag BossyD's number, right? So it is now pinned to the comments. So if you
Yeah.
want BossyD number, there it is on the screen. You can reach out to him for further sponsorship. Um, but yeah, BossyD, it's a great vibe.
Yeah,
Really,
man.
really, trust me, a lot of persons were looking forward tonight, and tonight is like no other. I mean, every live we do is a
Yeah.
different vibe.
Yeah,
You
man.
understand? It's a different vibe, and tonight is I don't know if we'll ever have another night like tonight, but I have to say big up.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
I have to
Free,
say,
free, man.
big up.
Don't, no matter what, man,
People
when you
want to
turn
see
up,
you do well in a varsity. People really
eh?
want to see you do well. Mm-hmm.
Yes, man. And
You know,
look
see.
here, me not give up, you know. Me not
No.
give up. No, you
Uh,
can't give up. You
no.
understand? Yeah, you have to just
Mm-hmm.
continue the same way, because, you know, nothing beat a failure, you see me? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Because
Mm-hmm.
far me I
Mm-hmm.
come from in a life, you know, man. Yeah. Far. Me start from 16 to 15 to 14. No, me gone. You understand? So, me show you how far me I come from.
See.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
So,
man. Yeah,
still
man.
not
Yeah,
give up.
man.
Because as I say again, this is my enjoyment.
Yeah, yeah.
Because I no smoke, I no drink, I no gamble, I no go party. So this is my enjoyment. As I say
Yeah, yeah,
again,
yeah.
big up Kenty, yeah, and
Mm-hmm.
big up 876, and big up all
Yeah,
of my
man.
fans them. Anywhere in the
Straight.
world, you know, yeah.
Straight. And I just
Respect your
want to
man
say,
them. See you with.
yeah, man. I just want to before we wrap up, I just want to say, big up to tonight's sponsors, our official sponsors, Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, WAP Performance, Squickly Wrecking and Haulage,
Yeah.
Boosting, Village Performance, Massive Auto Parts, and Kaizen Wrecking. And these are the sponsors who have been sponsoring all our nightly series.
Yeah.
So I have to say a big shout out to them. And
Yeah,
of
man.
course, for you now, BossyD, you have a whole heap of
Yeah.
sponsors. I not even know some of the people them who messaging me
Yeah.
now. But as me say, big up to everybody who decided to, give a little sponsorship. No matter how small it is, every mickle make a muckle.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
man.
man.
Yeah, man.
You
Yeah, man.
understand? I care how,
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
man.
as I say again, respect all of my fans them, and respect them for all of this sponsor where them, where them a give to me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Big
Yeah.
up, you
Yeah.
see me? Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man.
And word
One
for
last
respect.
question, may I have
Big
no
up
BossyD.
876.
Big up, man. May I have one last question. When when
Yeah.
when when we get to return to the track though, what can fans expect from BossyD?
Well, be honest with you, when I come there in a 12-3, you see? From me just
Yeah.
want to go down in a 12-0. I just want 0 up at 12.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? So as I say, I go fling on 100 shot of nitro, so probably might go over in a, Yeah.
What?
Yeah, man. So from there,
They
so I
not
just
judgment
step
that
it from
name.
this. But, yeah?
They not judgment that man.
Me I tell you, man. Yeah, man. Now, look here, as I'm saying, man, he said happy, you know. And he said can take it, because he said strong, you know, weak, you know.
Zid. Hey, Bossy
Yeah, man,
D,
you know, weak.
you need to let me know the size shirt you wear, because remember, Zid at performance sponsoring your
Small, man.
876 Street shirt.
Yeah,
Small.
small. Yeah.
All right. What you want, we'll put in at the back, because it's a customized 876 Street shirt, you know. What you want? Z Boss, Bossy
Yes,
D.
man. Yeah, man, put in his Z boss, you know. Z boss, you know, you see me?
Z
Guess what?
Boss.
Yeah, man, just put in his guy ending idea.
Yeah.
Them, that can't left me. That can't
Straight.
left me. I remember,
Straight.
you know. Yeah. I want to make me, you know, say, yo, I think I want to big me up on the Z thing, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
76.
Remember the interview, man. Remember the interview.
Yeah,
remember
man.
the interview.
Yeah, man. I think I did some get the Z bars from, you know, yeah.
Yeah.
So, you know, say, so I feel just did the same way.
And trust me, you know, enough people look up to you with that title, you know.
Yes, man.
You know, see.
Yeah, man, because if you notice, you know, when a man says Z, I just pay Z them now. No man say 2 Z, yo, you think he's Z up. You understand? Every man, yo, enough man call me half year and I ask him about 2 ZZ, rare. I go, like, you know, we go put in one in a for them car. And me tell them what he can do.
BossyD, me just did the 30-second countdown, but guess what? You see, just because tonight is a special live, we're going to go back live. So peeps watching, I'm going to end this live now because we're on the countdown, the 1 hour countdown, and restart. So rejoin us right away now, BossyD.
Yeah, man. All right.
Right away. All right.
All right, my Jenna.
I would have thought about say for help BossyD to join live. No, man. BossyD know how to do that. BossyD.
Yeah, man.
What the man them talk about say, we have to show you how to rejoin live. Them don't know say, hey, general.
I'm all right, man. You don't know anything set already, man. You know what I'm saying?
They don't know anything set, man. Man. So your fans them almost start war a while ago now when them not see you come on, you know.
No, man. Yeah. I want thing, look here. I want thing with me, you know, man. I not let down my fans them so easy, you know.
Straight.
Yeah. I not let down my fans so easy. I always make my fan there, you know. Yeah.
What you mean?
I always there for them.
And
that's the reason why when me come in, I have to big up my fans them.
Yeah. And that's the reason to why when you touch the track, you know, BossyD, you know, it's a different energy.
Yeah, man, so when you come and touch the track, man, you see, say, man, I pay real up thing, man.
Yeah, man, I tell you.
Thing, you know, man, it come like when Bunty and Beanie touch your stage, you know, man, you know, so you think set already.
A real thing. Well, watch this now. We never go waste no more time, you know, we're going to go straight tonight, see?
Yeah.
What happened to a fellow by the name of Brown Bread? You know, wasn't there a little rivalry at some point between you and Mr. Bread?
Yeah, all right. You want me know? I never really did pick on him. You understand me? I say, because him just did set up a machine. So, but I feel like, if you say, as a man, we're in the system so long, you should know, say, yo, get a car, feel it out, know what you can keep of doing before you think about calling out a man, because the ending idea will flap yourself.
True,
you understand me? I say?
That's why I ask him if you can run good yet.
If you can run good yet. Because the ending idea, if me and him if go down there, go run, and the ending idea, me go run with him, but I beat him because he can develop a problem. So then some of them they are trying to show him, say, yo, listen, me don't call out no one until you know you can walk, you can run good. Because for right now, you know, say you can creep or walk, but you can't run it.
Are you Brown Bread call out?
No, listen me, I'm dropping look words them neatly. So we put one and two and no say he come like a meme attack. So I never did like they pick on him if he say boy yo. You know?
Right.
But he must see some things in some way where he feel like some can't understand in Chinese language.
In what kind of language?
In Chinese language.
Oh.
You understand? So me realize I understand where he must say no and just say, listen me, you sure you can't run good yet?
You decode it. You decode it. I realize that. Okay.
Right. So me tell him say, yo, you're trying to put on a bucket too, you know. Kind of your bucket to me, I was stepping in your neck back. You understand?
BossyD,
And it now go
more
look
you
good
drop
for
it
your
down.
cause.
More
You
you drop
understand?
it down where they drop. Where you say, and the same tone you say, hell boy.
You know, because when he said that, me say, hell boy, seems like you want to call me out. You sure you can run good yet? You sure you can run yet? Trying to go down the bucket big to you, cause me get step in here, because he not go look good for you, cause. Oh, so no, you do. You understand? Yeah. So you can't come
Hey,
call out a youngster, and you don't know where you're there. Can me tell him, you know? Me say, listen me,
yeah,
you know, so I'm small. When me bought my toe, I must get up and brush on myself and gone. But
yeah.
then take all how much somebody to lift him up, because he's heavy. You understand? You understand? Yeah, them something, you know?
Hey, when him drop in, I must come up here and say, BossyD.
No, man, I tell you, but you want me now. I'm a general still, you know, so for me, I'm thinking kind of different. So, you know, really take
Yeah,
none as personal. You see me, I say, yeah,
straight, straight,
yeah,
straight,
because you don't
straight.
do things, because, you know, more, I'm tell you the truth. He said,
Mhm.
elbow, I get that said the right.
Yeah.
That's the reason I said to him, so I say, elbow, and you can run to me in the same class, I same teacher, I teach me.
And he ain't
You understand?
force.
You're not forced, because in the idea, I same class with you know. You understand? But you say, if you go over in 11 now, you are the man. Gear preps.
Good.
Yeah.
You can.
You understand?
Aye.
So, but the end of the day, if you get the car there right, it will run good. Because to a setup, once
Yeah,
you get in a good peak of farm, it will
yeah.
run. Once you get it right. You
So,
understand?
so, so,
But
all right. So tell me something now. Oh, like roughly about how much I think when him sort out, about how much I think he will be able to run.
well, you want me know. Guess what me know? You see, in a things like this now. All right. Be honest with
Yeah.
you. If you get the car there right, if you
Mm-hmm.
get it right, you probably go over in 11. Run like lower level
Yeah.
so in the region. Me now go say
But
more run 9. I'm more run 10. But me
10.
know
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
if you run 11, be
Yeah.
honest with you. You understand me? I
Yeah.
say?
Yeah.
And be once as what me saying, listen me, as if you get it right, if you get the mix right, if you get the right when you know, like when you're hot and you drink a nice cool lemon, you understand? I cool you down
Yeah,
if you
cool
get it,
down. Yeah.
it right. Trust me.
Mm-hmm.
He said it.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
He said it right. You understand me? I say, yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
me
Well,
not go break him down and say, boy, he can't run that, and he can't run that, and this, and he can't. No, me not join them game there. Me not go
yeah,
big
but
man and say, boy, yo, he can't do that. What any car can go fast, you know, but how you do it? Because in the
yeah,
idea, someone put on everything what Jesus called for.
yeah.
And in the idea, guess what? Then go down there and he still not do it time.
Still not force.
Yeah, he still go down there and make fool of himself.
Mm-hmm.
You
Mm-hmm.
understand? That's the reason why, you know, when me set up my machine, man ask me what time you run, me tell me something I don't know.
But you
Until when
can't
go
know
down
the
there run
thing.
the time. Eh?
Yeah. Yeah, 'cause
No.
enough time man call time and then when then God
Oh,
traffic come
God,
like say,
you know that me
the
I
ass
talk
them
about,
get
cause
it. Yeah.
that me I talk about. Cause enough time you see
Yeah.
man go down there, you know. Alright,
Mm-hmm.
me show you something.
Mm-hmm.
A man we see a car on a road, you know, and to it a real up, you know, and a
Mm-hmm.
galang with the antics in there. So he go down a big yard. Him a fool. He can't maintain it.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
Mm-hmm.
move from where in there, and sometimes when you hear it time when you run, you have to say, boy, what
Mm-hmm.
embarrassment this nigga call upon himself
Disgracey
in.
man.
Oh my God. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So in the
Mm-hmm.
idea, you
Mm-hmm.
know, that's the reason why I always tell them and say, yo, you sometimes me do it time, me talk about it. But if me not do it
Yeah.
time yet, me not talk about it.
Mm-hmm.
You
Mm-hmm.
understand?
Mm-hmm.
You know,
That's
just like
true.
with proper way him know him a run and him more bow when he run 13-1.
Yeah.
And a guy can't show in time slip.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Because he want
Mm-hmm.
to say, yo, him tell you what him do know. He want to match up with me, you know, to say him have the fastest 2ZZ all motor pan stack computer. You understand? So in the idea,
Oh.
Mr. Since as you have the fastest 2ZZ pan stack computer, show with the time slip. Me can show you all of my time slip, then we say 13-2, 13-1,
Mm-hmm.
13-0. Me can show you all of them. And me can show you
Mm-hmm.
all of my 12-second time slip. Show me yours, master. He can't prove it, but say, boy, in and if he prove that, you know, I say then, why come in a group and I come check? Come here, in a same group, you know, watch group, you know. You understand?
Okay.
After boy using back wheel, you know, on stage down there now, you know, so when you use a back wheel on stage, that shit all good. Like say you do. You understand? Because guess what? Because I look on a film time slip, I say 13.2 or 13.1, you know. I look on the miles per hour, I look on a film and I know if you do it, yes or no, you know. So you must feel some people are idiot. We now watch it 60 foot. We now watch it 60 foot, you know. We are watching miles per hour because anyhow, you show me 3 miles per hour, you say, you run 13 when I look up on my type miles per hour. You can't know the difference because I want to go fast on one. So you feel like every day and get up my tab and run 13 when you can't prove, you can't show it. Don't people in a show. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Say, but suppose, I mean, because I'm not sure if there's any evidence though to support the fact that or the statement that him stage him back wheel. But the mere fact that him don't want to show you, because you say him don't want to show you, right?
You don't want to show, you don't want to show the group, other group. Because remember, you know, him come out, you know, and I mentioned him out, you know, so how he run the 13-1. You understand? So we say, prove it. I'm going to go for all of me times, because I mean, I try to prove, you know.
Oh, so what I know? You know, so from what you hear that little talk, they go around, prove it. And me just realize which party come from. Oh, so you tell himself to prove it.
Prove it.
Okay, and him cannot prove it.
He cannot prove it, but me can prove my own. So in the idea, guess what? Him is liar. You understand? That's the reason why. That's the reason why me tell him, say, yo, listen me. You say, if I never this local virus thing we are grown, me say, me do ask Robert, because he said, anytime he push up himself to the gate, me ask any man whether in front me or whatever view, if you make me go in at the ring, I will prove who are the man.
Just like Coelho Sanchez.
Oh my God, you understand? Because I rate Robert, you know, because Robert, you know, one way me always there, you know. Yeah.
But then I say Robert your manager, man. Or you need to tell me say Robert your manager?
Yes, man. I'm a general that, man.
I general.
Yeah, man, I'm a general. Yeah, man, I'm a general that, man.
Oh, you mean because?
Always me say again. I me say again, big up Kenty, because Kenty are all sport man, you know, man. All race, you know. Yeah. And that the man that make people who me yeah to sport in Jamaica right now, you know. I tell you, you know. People who sleep on sport now, that the man who make all who man affairs. Anyway, they forget to look at ambition from no man starts find ambition and spend pan car, you know.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah, man, it think nice for real, man. I not like Kenty do a real good job for drag racing right now.
Yeah, man.
Jamaica, you know?
On a big man level, I have to big him up because I hunger man when I see me go to Vernon Field, because Vernon Field, I know him from, you know. Well, I know I see my Vernon Field, but I never talk it. And I see that man windscreen broke on Sunday. I mean, you know, when you get man from to come put in windscreen, man, the man out there. So you have to say, yo, you know, so the brother, you're a real sport, man. Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
brother,
yeah. Right, that's up on the track. Right, on the track, it windshield replace.
Yeah, man. So you know, so them man, they are a real sport man. So right now, that the man make people rise machine. It really matter for 16 seconds, 15 seconds. As a man buy a local machine, yo, I don't say my talk about.
Straight.
I tell you.
Straight.
You understand? I remember saying, you look at 16 seconds, you look at 15 seconds, and them a crowd go with, you know, you look at 13 seconds anyway, and them kind of happy up the crowd, you know, so we can't really brook them down in a thing, you know. Even though, you know, like fast man, them, because you know, so them have to make one run like in 9 seconds and you know, like 8 seconds, man, you know, one pass them have to make until we down in the last, but you know, say, you look at underdog, you look at 13 seconds and 14 seconds and 15 seconds, you know, so them keep it crowd lively, and you know what I say, a man bet money, and you know, so you don't know anything said, so we have to kind of big up, you look up, you know, can't have to big up the local man, they see, we can no matter what happen, a man buy a local machine, or when he now go fast, he still go to support him. You see me I say?
Let me tell you something, BossyD. Stick up in, you know, right? You are the only person who, when we're there on a live, and we restart a live and it go back over 400.
Eh?
You're the only person since we start the live series, like about a week or two ago. You're the only person. Well, when we restart the live, the viewership gone back up a which party did they?
Yeah.
Yo, I have to say, yo, hey, seriously now, no, BossyD. You have some serious fans out there, no. More you know that,
Yes,
you know.
man. That's why I was gonna say again, cause I always have to big up my fans them.
Straight.
Kira, oh, you understand me? I say, cause guess what,
Yeah.
man, is a man with me journeying. I mean, always reason with. I me tell you something. Sometimes a man when I hear me sound certain way and my voice like, you know, like me talk loud and me sound like me ignorant. But yo, if a man get to know me, man, me tell a man, so now watch. His sound on me, man. Cause
Yeah.
in the idea, the way you hold me. Cause me look, you know, so me have to talk loud to make people see me, you know.
It's still.
Yeah, I mean, have to talk, you know. You
Yeah.
understand? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So,
Yeah, man. Yeah,
so you
man.
know what a man feel like, so when he hear me say certain things, me mean nothing. Cause you don't know, so you have to
No.
have a look. You know, yeah, so me I say,
You can't
yeah,
go.
so
You
me
have to
want
make
a
up.
man
You
feel
have to
like, so
make up.
boy. Eh?
You have to make up.
Yeah, all right. So my look man and kind of take one thing personal, you know. Me mean like, when I hear me talk, or even mental, me a mental not have nothing. But in the
Zin.
idea, the man just not lie me for no reason at all. You
So
understand? Him
your
not have
mental
nothing.
good now, though.
No, be honest, if he see me and heal me, me heal him. You understand?
Oh.
Me not have nothing against no one. If a man see me
Yeah.
and heal me or whatever view, but some my man him a going like a son look a girl. You understand? Like say boy, yo. You understand me? I say, me and
Yeah.
Propose kick off enough time, but in the idea, me and Propose not have anything. We just
Straight.
talk
I
about
just.
sport and railway, whatever. If you tell lie, we just tell us straight up, say you tell lie.
Yeah.
And if you say you do certain things, prove it. But don't
Prove
get up
it.
and talk when you don't prove, or you don't have no proof of.
So
So
tell me
some of
something
them not
now.
like when you talk that.
If proper way see you now and heal you heal him back.
No, man, them me I not have nothing. Me and in the same group, you know. And we talk same
Okay.
way. And I run my
Okay.
mouth on him same way. And in way them, I don't really have nothing against no one. You understand
Straight.
me? I say,
You just
young
want him
look man,
prove
when me
it.
had it. You understand? The only thing I want him to do is just
Yeah.
prove your time. Prove it.
All right.
That's all.
Right, and more everybody in our chat room for type prove it. Because that's the new talk we are left tonight with, you know. Just type prove
Yeah.
it.
Prove it.
You
Simple.
understand? See,
Me can prove
see,
my time slip then.
straight.
So when you get up and then you run your mouth and talk, say, yo. Man, yo, listen me tell you something. When me run 13-6, you know, me never get up and brag and boast about it. Because in the idea that couldn't win out 13 seconds. Young way that can win
No.
out, you can go in a, like, you know, go in a class with that. Unless no class not full up. Why you can go in it with 13-6. You understand me I say? But even
Eh,
13-1, if 13-1 probably can make a grid.
yeah,
You
yeah,
understand?
yeah.
But like 13-2 anyway, but in the idea, when I look at man, I can't talk about, say, boy, yo, you run 13-1, you fi continue, because you say, all right, look here, make you know something.
Yeah.
You see, first time me run 13-2, I'm
Yeah.
here push mill. And when time I go and I come around, me get the time slip me for push mill. You
Yeah.
understand? And I look on me see 13-2. So me I say, yo, this I can't for me. So when I look back over and I see 12, I think I 12 something in the run, either 12-6 somewhere in there. I can't carry that game and look at issue. You understand? But me I say, yo,
Yeah.
the 12-6 can't for me, I must see 13-2. So me say,
Yeah.
no, sir. So
Yeah.
me go back again. I me do it again and come back on the same 13-2. I me go back again and say, hey, look here, man.
30.
Me
Hey,
happy.
but hold on. BossyD. You know, say, come here a little talk, say, boy, one night time, the printer machine, the machine will print the time slip. Say it nearly they almost run out of the paper, you know,
Hey,
because
you happen, man.
you run till your
Yeah, me
belly
happen.
full.
Yeah, me happen. Because so me go a jam west. Me
Yeah.
not stop run. Time me run and enjoy. I when me now win. Me run and enjoy myself. Yeah. So
Yeah.
you see when me have any nitrous, so me know say Z can take drugs, you know. So me have any nitrous pan. I 2 back to me have no cause.
What?
One for Saturday and one for Sunday, you know. And when me start
Oh, that's
using
the
it, me
thing.
just a beat like that, you know.
So every run and I trust.
Oh God Almighty, man. Yo, it's so sweet, man. Yo. When me come to rally can in night just come in, man. Oh my God, man, I fast me reach on my bottom my chop. Not even top me can't tap. I tell you. You understand? Clock past 180 gone all the way around. And me go back and I say, no, so me have to feel this. You understand?
Yeah.
Oh God, man, yo. So you see for ending idea? Certain nigga.
Yeah.
So me see certain nigga, it's like all proper way now. Me can give my all motor running, but you want me now. Me have to step in a fiend face, like step in a fiend face, wickedest away, man. Cause you can't give no edge over you know. Cause you know you love running him out. So you don't deal with them, they sitting in there, you have to just last them like a marble. You know you play marble and you go down in a crab hole. You understand? Yeah, you have to just deal with them. When you fire me, just go last in a crab hole. So you have to deal with them, man. You just throw dirt on them and get rid of them out of the system. You understand? So you have to deal with them, cause you know him. Yeah.
They want to Jacob boy now. Can you say when I tell you about Jacob boy?
No, you want me now. You see Jacob boy now. Jacob boy come down here and first one me and Jacob boy run, me kill him in a show. But be honest with you, I never did know how nitrous because at the time when he come in say yo, he carries a nitrous car, but in the idea, me never did really follow up in nitrous thing. So you see the first one, me and run and me beat him, but he claims say boy in car where he jump off. But me beat him, win is a win, it don't really matter.
Win is a win, win is a win.
Yeah. Right. But you see, second run now with me and him, me left him in a hole for dead, you know. I mean, like, say, boy, it's like, yo, all me have to say, me only see Jacob boy does, I think a 13-7, do. So, when I realized, I said, then, I saw serious nitrous the big man. Because me tell him, me like, me left him man in a hole, you know, and the man just run past me. You understand? So, me say, anyway, since as me can't manage up on the nitrous, give me an all motor run. He said no, because the way how he see me left him in a hole, he cannot give me a night all motor run.
All motor.
Yeah, he cannot give me an all motor run. So I say, okay, all right, because he's saying car tune for nitrous. You understand? So I just leave it from there. So I say, okay, all right. So I say, boy, you know me I'll step up again. But the end of the idea, me not really. No, after me I'm done run now, everything now. Proper way now, it in 16, and him March come down like my star boy. Say him come kill it 20. You understand? So when he come now, I say, no problem. I mean, go down to the market. You understand what I say? Because I done the race at night time. You understand?
Yeah.
Anyway, I deal with him in a show down there. Me all ask him, say, yo, I Sanchez all set off a race. And when we deal with him, I surf him and say, yo, you know what, I'll give him a jump. He said, I want no jump because he battery all right. That he said to me. I mean, deal with him in a show already. When I tell me I start playing, I make him start galang, I just run past him. He come run and he start find fault. Because I saw me call him faulty guy, you know. Because in the idea, him come run and he start talk about. Eh?
What kind of guy you call him?
Faulty guy. Because every time you run, he have fault. You understand? Yeah. So you understand? So in the idea now, when me come back, when he said, boy, he shift a cable, jump off, and he never get second, and in this and in that. So he said, all right. He fix up in car, and he said, get it right. And I say, you ready now, sir? Everything all right with this? And he said, yes. And I last him, and I show me, I'll put out all me hand, I call him.
I call him. I
said, come on, man, you creep too much, man. You hold up my time. That's for me, I deal with him, you know. You understand? So in the idea now, he come down at Jam West now, and he come flip again now, and at the time that I said, me have, you know. And he said, me forgive him a run. And I said, Lord, get a white. How this a look nigga you do, man?
I'm to follow the guy, man.
Yeah, man. I wet him again. So me say to him, me say, proper way. You better you go on to ZZ, you know, because that's the only way you're going to have a chance. He said, I want on Z, because Z I last letter in the alphabet. That's what the man tell me, you know. I'm going to see the boy go. I'm going to see him go to ZZ and I come go like saying, I want to come play me and I come honor to me. You understand? I tell me, I tell you. Yeah.
So, what was the fault?
To ZZ, eh?
What was the fault when they beat him down a judgment yard? What was the fault?
No, he couldn't say nothing. He couldn't, Lord God, we must have done my place, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? Don't judgment, when he come on, let me tell you something. So when you come on to racing, it don't really matter if you have a Honda or whatever you want to drive. When you reach down, you say, me and no friend. A war time. So either you kill me or me kill you. I say things set. We have no friend when we reach down there, sir. So when you hear someone look man I can talk about Toyota, man, a man of a flip and tie. Well, look here, when you come on Honda or Toyota, man, where you reach up, man, me a step in your face, man. I tell
Anything
you.
come then.
Yeah.
Anything.
I step in your face, so it don't really matter. You
All right.
understand? Me and my
So,
own friend when you reach
right.
up the sun. Yeah.
Right. So basically, I guess one of the things them were really a cause this is proper way now really show no preps to the elder and I think.
No. In kind of, me tell you, be honest with you, I have not against him, but yes, I was on me see the brother this day. In kind of, what I call it, you know, in kind of all of himself. He's one youth where, brother, it's like, you know, to give people ratings like that. He always look forward, he always want to say, yo, him a the man. And you know, so be honest with you, you know, so me can run time, and you never hear me get up and brag and boast and chat about certain things. Me always, when me want man, we at it, me always say, big man, when we reach on a judgment here, we see who are the man. Me now go say, boy, if me care fast and come, man, can dead in a show scene, you know. Because any look think you have and a man dead, you know. So in the idea, when me say, yo, when we reach on this up, we see who are the man. If a man beat me, a man beat me. I don't say things, because man, no man are perfect. Because you want me in a life. You win some, you lose some.
That's how you go, man. I really see the man.
You understand me? I say, but some look man now, when you win them, they always have to say, Victor man, they in chat kind of say, like all him. Because that the man there, man, you never win him yet, you have something to say, you know. I tell you, you know.
Hey, man, I have to make proper ways.
I tell him straight up. And number one again, me never yet. Like she said, boy, me I try to prove on him. And him a come flip on me, you know.
Okay.
He want to try to show me up. Me never yet go and like say, boy, I want to flip on him. And him, because he might call me up and ask me what time he do and what time. And me look on him and me look on him and tell him say the proper way. The play, because yesterday engineer they now beg for speed, you know. Kind of plating, but I feel like that plating, you know. Me tell him all of them there's something there. When me hear all ship on him, man, you know, like you see 2ZZ. They hear about one time you know rev them over certain RPM, they always a bust up oil pump. They have a look of oil pump fault and something there. You understand? So more time you have to upgrade in something. Because the moment you understand, because you see oil pump, you see gear make it brittle. You make what I want in like a cast iron. You understand? Because me bust up 2 of them already. You understand? So in the idea that for them fall. So in the idea, you know, when I look at man, I tell him say, you better upgrade the car. When refing go on, man, I tell him say, man, make you like say, man, I chat a garbage, man, I tell him. It's like a look man where anything when you lucky, man, you can't say nothing to him. So more time now, when me hear the match, I mean, nobody come in and say, because I know say it's a brother where you're hard to please and you're hard to deal with. And there's nothing where you can't tell him and he say, all right, right. You understand? I want to look man me hear that the man they come like me know them too. I want to look man me hear that the man wait that the man anything that the man they tell him. He will rather work with that the man there. And that the man they don't have a time slip. And that the man not even know where in car there. Me not have to call on him. You understand me? I say a man we have a time slip. I have a car running so good. He not really listen to that the man there, but he will listen to a man when not even go a chat. When nobody don't know. You understand where you know have a time slip. You see me? So if you put in a 2ZZ, if a man where I do a fast at time like I run one wicked time and me put in a 2ZZ and me know that the man the whole film wanna run, anything where that the man tell me I hear me I work with, you know.
Me know what you mean.
I tell you.
Stick up in it, BossyD. Stick up in. I just want to say big up to tonight's sponsors for making our live series possible. Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, WAP Performance, Squickly, Wrecking and Haulage, Boosting, Zidach Performance, Massive Auto Parts, and Kaizen Wrecking. Be sure to check out our sponsors, visit their page, social media pages, and show them some love. All right. BossyD, back to business now. Now, the fans in the chat room asking about Ted.
Ted, who name, sir?
I don't know. Fans in the chat room. Who is Ted? Them said Ted from Spatek.
Spatek. Well, with Ted now, me and Ted me and the pan want to look at beef, but it's right now, we not even want to do this because, you know, it's a long time thing and way. You understand? Because in the idea, I never try to disrespect that youth, because the youth when used to carry go to school back in the days. I mean, you know, some look man when they reach a certain level, they feel like, say, boy, they want to come flip on the elder. And me never did disrespect him in no form of way. And in way, because him first try to style me in one way, because in the idea, me never did like calling him in nothing. I mean, I mentally at it. One ex brother where they come from town and sit and him just barging and try to style me. And that's something I kick off from. You understand me? I say, so we're not really good at so then let's something that Moses days and whatever view. As I don't have so seeing we, I don't have some man seeing we, but you know, I don't want a man feel like saying want to come style me in a certain type of way. I never call his name in my interview with them. You understand? So in the idea, if you under them and have a look at interview, I don't see why you should have come go like you want to come style me. I never style in no form of way. So there's some things he kind of get out of proportion with me and him. You understand me? I say, but I show them the thing that
I all preps that. I all preps that.
So in the idea, you know, in my part of the same way, you don't have some man same way. And you don't know anything set already. Even though you're not on the island still, you know, over so you live same way. Because I feel like say, I got a friend, you must see me and heal me, see him, you must see me and heal him. You see me? So, we're not really good at it.
See. All right, cool. All right, so as I said earlier, BossyD, we have quite a few sponsors tonight who are messaging me off the air that they want to sponsor you some stuff. Zine. So yes, so I know everybody respect you, everybody love you, and I'm sure if every single person tonight watching could sponsor you in some way, or if they still wish to sponsor, they can link you directly. You know them. Man. That can go on, man. Yeah. So I have a few announcements when we ready to wrap up the live. So just stay tuned for that. We're going to go into some questions now. Persons who wish to ask any question. We're not see you, BossyD.
Well, all right. You see me now?
Yeah, we are seeing now. We are seeing now. All right. So, all right. Somebody's asking. Ask him what him do to the car. What kind of upgrade? What kind of upgrade they do so far, boss?
Well, being serious. See, he said no. We just step up a line flywheel panning, a line pulley wheel, and a mega skirt tree. You understand? That's the only thing we put on panning.
Okay.
That's the only thing when we put on the machine. And a 6-power gearbox. And they look and look, hey, look here. Yo, me welcome anybody if you step in a Z world, man. Because Z and a play thing, you know. Yeah. And man, right now, you know, big man thing, you know. If you notice, nobody not talk about 20 valve again, you know. P2Z last in our system. Because you want now. You see money where you're spending at 20 valve. You see money where you are spending at 20 valve. If you get that run fast, you just buy one 2ZZ. Hey, look here, you know, so when I buy my 2ZZ, you know, 90,000 pay for it.
What?
90,000 I got 2ZZ never there. Right now, when a man going up in a store, in the pawn shop, man, I see all 2ZZ. No man look on 2ZZ, I pay 25 man they talk about. Me wrong or me right?
I true that.
And you know, when me put, and 90,000, look here, me sell for me 2ZZ. Me sell me 20 valve for $150,000. And me buy me 2ZZ for $90,000. And I see him gearbox me use. The only thing when me do, me just change the bellows. Same axle, same engine mode, everything. One of my bridging down here shine wired for me.
Look there. And God know with money in your pocket.
My God, man. You understand? No 2ZZ that sell for 230, 250,000.
Are you cause that in a BossyD? You know that though?
So things. Because when I time, you know, we for me black top the arena, you know. Then they sell it for whole for money, see, you know. So right now you can get black top for chicken fee right now. I said I think, you know, man. I said I way to go. You understand? Yeah. I said I way to go.
Tell me something. Eh.
Look here. Look, Pani, 75 shot of nitrous. 12 tree. 1 mega skirt tree. And go down in a 12, in a 13, 2, 13, 0. Just look at that. When me finger on the old jugs, Pani. Oh my God, man. It's an enjoyment.
Machine.
Yeah.
Machine.
I don't know how to play thing, man.
You would have boost it though, you would have got turbocharge?
Some really all motor. Natural. Less problem.
Oh, Mr. Way I say.
Too much big my word. You see, you have more enjoyment in an all motor more I boots thing right now. You understand?
More reliable.
You can just go there and just do what you have to do. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Well,
so, all right.
Well, now. Some man, he boost my work good for them or whatever view. But in my opinion, I feel like say all motor, me feel more comfortable with the all motor for right now.
Seeing.
Me not too like it, Yeah.
Seeing. All right. In the meantime, I just want to say big up tonight's sponsors, Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, WAP Performance, Quickly Wrecking and Haulage, Boosting, Zidach Performance, Massive Auto Parts, and Kaizen Wrecking. All right, BossyD.
Yeah.
I'm going to just mention some of the sponsors who are on board tonight with you to give you some stuff. We have Mr. Christopher Carty, Toda, who will be giving sponsoring mobile credit. So the credit we purchased today to put on the service for go live. Mr. Carty will be reimbursing you, will be sponsoring you some mobile credit. Seeing? So big up to Toda for that sponsorship. Zidach Performance is sponsoring you 2 shirts, 2 t-shirts. Let me see. Yes. So Zidach Performance is sponsoring you 2 t-shirts. Right? And Mr. Kenneth Timol. You know who name, sir?
Well, me know him, but me might not know him by name, you understand?
You don't know who name? You might know him, but not by name.
Yeah, me know him, because most of the rest of them, I know them, but I don't know them by their name, you understand? Yeah. Most of them, I really know him. Matter of fact, I know what I race of them, but some of them, I don't know them by their name.
All right, watch this now. You see Mr. Kenneth Timal?
Yeah.
Are your manager, brother? No? NT, man.
Oh. But you call, by the name, you know who, you see me? Man.
Yeah, man. We just give an official title tonight. But yeah, man, I can't see, man.
Yeah.
All right. Let me see now. Bam. All right. I see persons messaging me while I'm talking to you. Jay is sponsoring you $1,000 mobile credit also.
Okay.
Right. So that is more credit. Yeah, more credit.
Jay, I'm a general. You see me?
All right. So more credit on top of the credit. Right. And back to now, Mr. Timmel's sponsorship, Kenty. Because you know Kenty are your boy,
Yeah, man. Oh, God, man.
Kenty is sponsoring you, sir. A pair of slicks 24x9.
Yes, sir.
Zine, him said that will help you to finish in 4th gear. You see it? So big up to Kenty for sponsoring you the slicks. Big up to Jay and Zidach Performance. Well, Jay and Toda for sponsoring mobile credit. Zidach for sponsoring the t-shirt. And while I'm talking to you, PJ Performance is messaging me. And PJ Performance is sponsoring him. Say what kind of plug you use? What heat range? NGK
medium. Yeah, the medium, but like for nitrous, we use like 7, you know?
The 7?
Yeah, because you don't know, say, a nitrous, you said a cooked, you know, so you don't know a thing set already.
All right,
You know?
all right.
Yeah.
So I believe that Mr. PJ from What Performance, he will be sponsoring you a set of plugs.
Yes, sir.
Right? More messages coming in. Mr. Andrew Hudson from you know, he's the organizer for King of Shores.
Yeah, yeah, man.
He's sponsoring you to refill your nitrous.
Yes, sir. No problem.
Zine,
Andrew, big up yourself, yeah.
yeah, man. So if
Yeah.
there's anybody else before we end the live who wishes to sponsor BossyD, you can message me on WhatsApp or by Instagram before we end the live, right?
Yeah.
So if you want to message me on WhatsApp, it's 876-855-5740.
Yeah.
Right?
I'm
Hold on,
as we said,
more sponsorship coming in as I'm talking to your BossyD. Hold on that point. Grizzly is sponsoring you another nitrous refill.
yes, sir. No problem, sir. Well, for
Right? So
thanks, well, for respect.
yeah, man. So 2 nitrous refill that you're gone already.
Yeah.
Deal?
Yeah, man.
If anybody else wishes to sponsor BossyD tonight, you can message me, whether on Instagram or you can WhatsApp me, 876-855-5740. I said that right? 876-855-5740. Yeah, man. All right. So back to business now, BossyD. I have to just say big up to the sponsors tonight.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Big up everybody, man.
Yeah, everybody who no matter you see the thing with sponsorship, BossyD, is
Yeah, man.
you see no matter how small.
Yes, man.
You know,
me appreciate it.
every nickel.
Yeah, man. You know, really matter how small a thing is, and I'm gonna give you something. Trust me. Appreciate for it. You see me, cause you never have to, you never have to do it. You understand? So anything where a man give you have to just appreciate for it. Thank, you know, big him up on it. I'm not care how small things is. You understand? Yeah. That's how me look my life, brother. As I say again, I mean always have a big up 876. Always. Because in the idea, I want to give me the first interview when I say don't play with his Z, you know? Yeah. Nah, forget that.
What you mean, man? Bless
yeah,
up,
man,
bro.
because I want to make the world know me. You understand me? I say? So in the idea, I have to big up same way. I have to big up my fans them. And I care what I went and I say, yo, you know, in the idea, my fans them always respect me. You see me? I say? I may respect them. You understand? I care what happen. Hey, when I come home, I don't trophy, you know, I still enjoy myself. Because in the idea, I come home, I'm happy. Because one day, I must have to, you understand? Even though I win trophy already from 20 days and rare, you understand me? I say? But not never done me for a time. But in the year, guess what happened? I not even watch that. I just go enjoy myself. You understand? Yeah.
And BossyD, you know, as me there I talk to you, more sponsorship are coming though. More persons messaging me about sponsorship. Yeah, man. So let me mention it now before the live is up. Burner is sponsoring your next tune, you know.
Yes, sir. That the money make me know what is 13 seconds.
So big up Burner.
Yeah, me have to big up Burner, because Burner, that man make me know what is 13 seconds and make me feel the first 12 seconds per nitrous. And me still have to big up Specs same way, because Specs give me the last tune. You understand me I say? So I have to big up Specs same way no matter what happen. You understand me? I have to big up the 2 tune of them, because in the idea, them still make the Z happy.
Yeah,
tell
man.
me, I tell you so. I have to give them their props. Big up yourself, spread. You know? Yeah.
Yeah, man. Burner and Specs. All right, watch this now.
Yeah, man.
You know Carrot?
Carrot.
Carrot have the body our 5E or 4E. Remind me, Carrot. The Tercel over there in Florida, where I make over 500 horsepower, man. Yeah, man. Him up on the live now, man. Carrot, talk to me there. Anyway, Carrot is sponsoring you another nitrous refill.
Yeah, man. Well, my respect.
Team them Mad Dean 82, EP 82. Yeah. So Mad Dean I say, yo, he's sponsoring you another nitrous, a nitrous refill.
Yeah,
I see No Limit Racing out of Cayman is sponsoring you $5,000 for breaking the record of viewers tonight.
Yeah.
Right? So even cash sponsorship are coming, right? Let me see, you know, bam, 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 bam. All right. Yes. So more sponsorship coming in, you know, but we as time go on, we will mention them, you know. But I have to really say still, BossyD, you know, it is good to know that in this time while we're going through this little period, you know, persons can still find it to sponsor. You know, everybody could be selfish and say, boy,
yeah, man,
you know,
yeah, man. I really look here. I'm gonna say this again. Big up all I wanna. You sponsor me. Big up. And whole heap of thanks and whole heap of respect. Yeah. Care how small it be. We appreciate it. You understand? Yeah, me not go play like say boy, yo, right. Now sponsor me, you know? Yeah, man.
Well,
so
all
whole
right.
respect again.
All right. So for peeps talking about sponsorship, right? If you're typing it in the comments, I can't see it. Right? Too many comments. So just WhatsApp me or call me. No, not call me because I'm on the live now. WhatsApp me or send a message on Instagram. Right? If you want to WhatsApp me, it is 855-5740. Right? BossyD, we have a few more minutes. We have a few more minutes left on this live, but more sponsorship coming in. Hold on a little, BossyD.
Yeah.
All right. So, Ike Nation Motorsport 20 US mobile credits. All right. So you have mobile credits are coming all in a US, bro.
Yeah.
Right. Robert, your manager, no? The Jenna. Robert is sponsoring you $10,000. BossyD.
Yeah.
You keep track of everything, so.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Yeah, man. I watch everything, man. I watch everything. I go.
All right.
Man.
Whoa. All right. Ryan Auto is sponsoring your next oil change.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, man.
Who this now? All right. A lot of stuff coming in. I see Boosting is sponsoring you a free shot of Boosting.
Yeah.
All right. A lot of things coming in, BossyD, which I guess we'd have to deal with some of them.
Everything I go up, you know.
Yeah, we have to deal with some of them off the air.
Yeah,
yeah. A lot of sponsorship coming. So big up to everybody. All right. For persons who wish to contact BossyD, just how can persons contact you for further sponsorship?
Well, then can come for my number, you know, and you know, me tell them how to get me from there. You understand? Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Mention the number of BossyD so them can save it.
Yeah, man. 481-0523.
481
0523.
0523.
Yeah.
All right. So while the sponsorship are coming in, anybody with questions, I'm going to tag BossyD's number right? So it is now pinned to the comments. So if you want BossyD number, there it is on the screen. You can reach out to him for further sponsorship. But yeah, BossyD, you know, it's a great vibe. Really, trust me, a lot of persons were looking forward tonight, and tonight is like no other, you know. I mean, every live we do is a different vibe.
Yeah,
You
man.
understand? It's a different vibe, and tonight is I don't know if we'll ever have another night like tonight, but I have to say big up. Right?
Free, man.
I have to say big up.
No matter
You know,
what, man.
people want to see you do well in a BossyD. People really want to see you do well, you know.
Yes, man. And
You know,
look here, me not give up, you know. Me not give up. No, you can't give up.
No.
You understand? Yeah, you have to just continue the same way, because, you know, nothing beat a failure, you see me? Yeah. How far me I come from in a life, you know, man. Yeah. Far. We start from 16 to 15 to 14. No, me gone. You understand? So, me show you how far me I come from.
See.
Yeah.
Man. Yeah,
so,
man. Yeah,
still
man.
not give up, because as I say again, this is my enjoyment.
Yeah.
Because I don't smoke, I don't drink, I don't gamble, I don't go party. So this is my enjoyment. As I say again, big up KT, and big up 876, and big up all of my fans them. Anyway, in I roll in there. Yeah.
Straight. And I just want to say, yeah, man. I just want to before we wrap up, I just want to say, big up to tonight's sponsors, our official sponsors, Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, WAP Performance, Squickly Wrecking and Haulage, Boosting, Village Performance, Massive Auto Parts, and Kaizen Wrecking. And these are the sponsors who have been sponsoring all our nightly series. So I have to say a big shout out to them. And of course, for you now, BossyD, you have a whole heap of sponsors. I not even know some of the people them who messaging me now. But as me say, big up to everybody who decided to, you know, give a little sponsorship. No matter how small it is, every mickle make a muckle, you know?
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
You understand? I care how, you know? Yeah.
Yeah,
so,
man.
As I say again, respect all of my fans them, and respect them for all of this sponsor where them, you know, where them a give to me. Big up, you know, you see me? Yeah, man. And
one last question I have though, BossyD. Big up, man. I have one last question, you know. When we get to return to the track though, what can fans expect from BossyD?
Well, be honest with you, when I come there in a 12-3, you see? From me just want to go down in a 12-0, I just want 0 up at 12. You understand? So as I say, I go fling on 100 shot and night, so probably might go over in a, you know? Yeah.
What?
Yeah, man. So from there, so I just step it from this. But,
They're not judgment that, man.
Yeah, tell you, man. Yeah, man. Look, as I'm saying, man, he said happy, you know. And he said can take it, because he said strong in a week, you know.
Zid. Hey, BossyD, you need to let me know the size shirt you wear, because remember Zidach Performance sponsoring your 876 Street shirt.
Yeah, small. Yeah.
All right. What you want, we'll put in at the back, because it's a customized 876 Street shirt, you know. What you want? Z-Boss, BossyD.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. Put in his Z-Boss, you know. Z-Boss in it, you see me?
Z-Boss.
Yeah, man, just put in his guy ending idea.
Yeah.
That can't left me. That can't left me. I remember, you know. Yeah. I want to make me, you know, say, yo, I think I want to big me up on the Z thing, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Remember the interview, man. Remember the interview.
Yeah, man. I think I just want to get the Z-Boss from, you know. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, you know, say, so I think I just did the same way.
And trust me, you know, enough people look up to you with that title, you know.
Yes, man.
You know, see?
Yeah, man, because if you notice, you know, when a man says Z, I just pay Z them now. No man say two Z in there. Yo, you think he's Z up? You understand?
All right, in more proper way. Lord have mercy. BossyD. You know why me almost call it proper way a while ago?
Yeah.
Because proper way message me. You understand? And proper way say next week I'm ready for film interview. So I don't want you miss that interview next week, you know. Because proper way say.
Me watch him, man. Me watch him,
All
man.
right. All
Yeah,
right.
man. Me
All right.
me watch him, man.
Yeah, man. Proper way says two sides to every story, you know. So, make we see, make we hear proper way side next week, no? So, what are some of the questions though you want me to ask proper way next week on the live?
Me tell you something. Me know, because it's a nigga when you talk straight, you know. Yeah, you know, talk straight. Me know him tell us how me can go down Iceland, go make it, I'm a wheel up. And I pay ban a rare. So me ask him, say, no, when me can't go down a Jamaica, I'm wet him down there the slippery same way. And so me know all the way I'm come off with him. Because guess what now? Proper way never beat me yet. Never beat me yet. Proper way know how me boot bottom look.
So you think he will ever be able to beat BossyD?
Well, me not say no, he have to go work on his head. He have to go upgrade like a smartphone. But for his party in there right now, no. I tell you.
So hold on, you know. You know, all right. You feel say proper way can come down in a 12s, can run piece of 12s with you?
As what I say again, he have to go upgrade like a smartphone. But for his party in there now, him can't come there, sir.
A bang of phone him there now, not smartphone.
You understand? I say, yeah, you see with film signal now pick up, him have to go up on some host, some high, you understand, some high building pick and get signal for right now. You understand?
If I'm going to go 4G. If I'm going to go 4G or 5G.
Or 5G. But for right now, him down there. You understand? When he reach in a certain part in a Jamaica, he can't pick up.
He not pick up.
You have to go in a some high tree or something to get signal. Yeah.
Hey, BossyD, you know, trust me. Me can't even tell you right now how this live, boy, I'm lost for words right now, no? Honestly, because you bring a vibe tonight, like.
Yeah, man.
I mean, we have had some really good interviews since we start the series, but I know everybody going to remember tonight. Everybody we might have to go bring you on back from the live soon, BossyD.
Yeah, man.
Cause you know you're always ready, you know. So just like the machine, just like how the machine always ready.
That's the reason why I said to him, say, you know, Mr. Proper, look how you run up and down. You know, see it. You come on. You understand?
Come on, Zed.
You come on. Saying the idea, you know, everybody, you know, it's like you look at tension.
But BossyD, me not think proper way can manage no more name, you know. Because me here come on Zed, me here faulty guy, right? Me here what else? Proper way can manage no more name.
Hey, all me have to say, you know, in good because I can't take lick. You understand? Yeah. In good, in can't take lick. As was Jacob boy say, him is a practice target. You understand? So when time man when go learn how to shoot, they just call him out and shoot him.
Yeah.
You know when you learn to fire gun, you have some weapon man. So you just practice off of them how to shoot a proper way.
Practice. Wow, man, tell her.
That's the reason why it's so hard to dead. You have to use one missile on him.
I just want to say big up to everybody who tune in night after night, and the chat room were always full of vibe. You know, trust me, I believe that this live series, we have the best set of viewers who tune in night after night and bring the vibe. So we just have to say big up to you all. Thanks again to the sponsors for sponsoring BossyD tonight. If I can remember some of them, I know you have Andrew Hudson. I know you have Zidat Performance, Ken T, Robert, No Limit Racing out of Cayman. Forgive me if I didn't remember you. Or Jay, Toda, everybody who sponsored BossyD tonight, no matter how small it is, I just want to say big up, right? And on the note of sponsorship, if you're watching and you want to be a part of the sponsorship for our live series as well, feel free to contact me off here, whether by WhatsApp 876-855-5740, or you can message me on Instagram, right? BossyD.
Yes, sir.
Me go give it the last word, you know. But
Yes,
you see, before me give it the last word,
yeah.
I want take at least 2 questions from the comments. Right? Before we get the last word. So peeps, if you have a question for BossyD, just go ahead, ask it right now, please, because we already gone over the 2-hour mark. You know. Oh, you get the name BossyD.
You know, so that I come from my grandfather. Yeah.
Eh.
Yeah, because him say, boy, me favor him, so they just give me a name off him, you know? Yeah.
Oh, so where your grandfather is the name?
The same BossyD they call him, you understand? So,
Oh, yeah.
yeah, man, so in the idea, you know, they just give me a name off him, you see me?
Oh, you
Yeah.
mean, man? Oh, you mean? You know, so that I want a question me they want to ask you for the interview, the time when me come down by you and do the interview.
Yeah.
Yeah. That I wanted the question. We don't want to know how you get that name, the BossyD, you know.
Yeah, man. They have people don't, all right, look here, they have people don't even name Bossy, you know. But
Yeah.
you want to know, they have no deep on my name, BossyD. So them the
The
one with the
Z
name Boss, you know,
boss.
them the one that knock off one, them the one that make a China. You understand? Yeah. Them
Hey,
they
but
knock off one then.
guess what now? You know, say, the commentator at Jamwest used to call you BossyD.
Yeah.
You used to hear that?
Yeah, man, but you know, don't know things that already, because sometimes them probably not hear the, you know?
The D.
So,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
you understand? So, I say, you know? Just
Yeah.
like
All
him,
right.
hey, you see how I'm not cut today, you see how you want proper way him.
Mm-hmm.
You see how when you hear him, all right, him used to talk back in the days, you know, like, when him say, him no want come on now, Jamaica gonna run no time. He said, man, go do it time and him do it crime. I mean, I'll help dry him out, you
Oh.
know, make him come down there, say, you know, because me in the idea, me used to run my mouth on him and say, yo, you're 16, nothing me can do 16 seconds. And he
So you
come
set
prove
him up.
it. Yeah, me set him up. Hey, that boy, if rate me, you know. Sorry for calling boy, but him for rate me, you know. Because in the idea, you know, you understand me? I say, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I me make him know, say, yo. And when he run 15 something within 16, in John and say, yo, bossy, you see that? You say, me car can't run that time there. Can you always have to
Yeah.
say, yo, he said, because you want me always tell him, say, listen me, a slow car can beat a fast car on the street. Because when the fast
Yes.
car wheel up and the slow car just barely but can go, you understand? The
Yes.
slow car go pull a little fast car, while fast car did a wheel up, because you know, so we spin no win no race. So when him come down a judgment here, I don't know, you see, it's got him a serve. You
All
get weak
right.
telling you back wheel.
All
Yeah.
right. We take one last question from the comments. One last question. For persons who have additional questions for BossyD, you can message him on Instagram, Gary Hurlock, right? But we're taking one last question for now, right? We're going over time. All right. So somebody did ask where's Iceland, but you know, somebody answer in the comments already,
Yeah.
right? And one last question, peeps. One last question. Ask him about CJ. All right, me go take that question. CJ.
Oh, CJ? Oh, CJ,
Mm-hmm.
I wanna feel it. You know, me and I want to cover, but a baby.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, my baby.
All
Because he
right.
ain't in the idea. Guess what? It's so record that's me not even bother because God would have probably take away a little blessing from me if you go hurt a little child, you know? Yeah.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
Yeah, so
mm-hmm.
no bother goodness. You understand? Yeah.
Boy. How much power you make on the dyno?
You know, so be honest with you though, my dino at Bujo dino, but the power part now work wonderful. So me couldn't, me now have, you understand? But me know so when me did dino pan the stock computer watch me did
Mm-hmm.
183, something like that. But since we put on the management and we tune out, we never get a real
Reading.
figure. Yeah, you understand? But all me know say, you come prove it down there.
Prove it.
Yeah,
That's
you come
all you
prove
want to do.
Yeah, all me have to do, just want to say prove it.
All right.
Yeah.
Your
When I go down
manager,
there, do
your
free time, you
manager.
understand? Yeah. You know, like some man, you know, we do some serious power when he come down there, he can't do it, you know, he can't do it time, because there's nothing beat a time. You understand?
Yeah.
Because you never see
Yeah.
Rocket
No
and
power.
Skelly and go without a time. And that me I try
Yeah,
to
yeah,
make
yeah.
some man know, say, yo, listen me, time is very important, because if you get a 12 o'clock appointment and you go 1 o'clock, you're lost in a
You're late.
system. Yeah, you're late.
Yeah.
So there's no
Yeah.
beat a
Yeah.
time. You know, really matter. What
Definitely.
time you want to get, you want
Mm-hmm.
to know, say you do a time. You
Mm-hmm.
understand?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the reason why
Mm-hmm.
when me run, you always want to get a time after my machine come on the way there. If it's still happy, or it get lazy. Yeah.
All right. So.
Mm-hmm.
One last question. And the only reason I allow this question is because of your manager asks, you know.
Yeah.
Right? Your manager, Robert, said to ask you, how long now have you been racing?
Boy, I be honest with you, I work for years. I'm more than 15 years though.
More than 15 years.
Yeah, man, cause a long time. More than 15 years.
All right, all right.
From James just open. Me a
No,
race.
man, a long time that, man. Remember, say James opened 2003, you know.
All right. You understand? So, just look on
yeah,
I work for years. More than 15
I
years.
will. Yeah, man,
I
almost
work for
20 years that,
Yeah.
almost.
Yeah.
Mad
You
thing, mad
understand?
thing, mad thing,
Because
mad
I
thing.
burn and feel the thing you see there. The entire time I run 5 in a flatty. You understand? So, I say things set. So I'm trying to show you it's a journey, you know? Yeah.
Yeah, man. All right, BossyD. You know, say we come to the end of the live. Unfortunately, I know persons would really love to see us continue, but you know, a thing go, we can't too stretch out the thing.
Yeah.
we
We
have
know
to
them
make
way
it.
them, man. We know
Yeah,
I run it.
we have to cut. We have to cut it. We have to cut it. Make it.
Cut it right
You
there.
know,
You see?
stoke. Yeah.
Yeah. You have to cut it
But
right there.
before
You
we
don't know
cut
when
it,
things set, you know? Yeah.
yeah, man, don't go yet though. Before we cut it right there, I just want to say a big shout out again to tonight's sponsors of this live series, Kenty Racing,
Yeah.
Jamaica Race Drivers Club, What Performance, Quickly Wrecking and Haulage, Boosting,
Ah.
Zedach Performance, Massive Auto Parts, and Kaizen Wrecking. All right, I'm going to give you the last word, BossyD. So
Yes, sir.
after this, I am not going to say anything else. Zine, you have the last word. Big up anybody you want big up. And one thing I'm going to ask you, when you're done,
Yeah.
just give me your signature talk, you know. Cut it right there, my friend.
Yeah,
That's
man.
all
Yeah,
I want
man.
you to say at the end.
Yeah. Well,
So,
be honest with you,
go through.
Well, be honest with you again, one big up liquors. I can't left out Windsor, you know, say my drama man same way. So I still can't left out Windsor young. You see me, I say, yeah man, big up Mousy same way and Moby. Big up the whole Moby, Soupy, all of them same way, you see me? Big up all of my fans them. You understand? Andrew, big up yourself same way. Jacko, Martland, because you don't know you are on Orange Park in a Martland. I rate you for that. So I have to big you up on that same way. You see me? So that's a thing there now and cut it right there. Yeah.
All right. Big up everybody. Thanks for tuning into another live series. BossyD, much respect, bro.
Yes, sir.
All the best. Keep safe, cause you know the thing go. We want to see you as stepping at people net back when this thing are done, you know.
Yeah, one more thing. Big up
Yeah,
the one
man.
Indian same way, you know, because no matter what happen, I'm a bridge in that same way. And big up my baby mother, because I can't lift him out same way, you see me? You
Straight.
understand? Because some boy are home alone, you know. You understand? Yeah.
You know, we are gonna save that for the next interview now. That home alone, yeah, we're gonna save that for the next interview.
You know, some boy at home alone look up in a ceiling tab, so you know, like my friend there, you see him friend there, you see me.
Alright, not call the
Big
name,
him
not
up, see
call
how
the
you
name.
still, you know, cause even though name can't agree, and my boy see him, you big up yourself proper way, cause you don't know a thing set, you my general same way. But make sure when you come talk, you make sure you talk straight and don't grow no corner. And don't tell no lie, cause you're good for lie, you know. Yeah. So you're trying to come
Home
to a place where
alone.
talk straight. You understand? Yeah. Big up yourself, see
BossyD,
you proper way.
bless up
Yeah.
yourself, Zine.
Yeah,
Alright,
man.
respect.
Yeah, cut it right there.
Easy.
Save
Cut it
some
right
idea
there,
again.
my
You see
friend.
me? Yes, sir. All right, sir.